Aye. Ragashanti are the mix-up daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on.
Yes, Ragashanti. Do you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
All right, President. Okay, President, we'll fix the camera. Bounce it again, President. Run the top again. Bounce it again. Coming at this Jamaica, coming at this New York. Ready up. Let's go. Let's go. What's the idea now?
An Blenda time.
Check.
I'm going to the call and talk.
Check. Big up yourself, Millicent, big up yourself, boo-boo.
Yeah. Beside the girl with the neck side of Stewart.
Dog bite, me see you. Check. Hey. Radio. Dana from Pemboka.
Agoneering to the
Let's go.
Ragashanti are the mix-up daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on.
Back. Magazine empty. Let's go.
Ragashanti. Do you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because
Good night,
you talk
Tommy.
a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
Clad, big up. Sonia, baby. Sonia, you're not asleep tonight, no. All Canada people, big up on themselves. There we go. Check. Bang diggy bam bam badam badam bam bam.
I need some An Blenda time.
Ragashanti life.
Brabada, I had them with me, I'm loving a man. Hey! Brabada. First, you know what I read me on him? You know what I read me on him? National pride. National pride, them call already. Hey! Brabada. First, you know mentor. You know Jamaican mentor. You hear the mentor in it? Stop him. Prezi, me know said no phone, no know mentor from the Dominican Republic. You know that mentor they don't. You know that Latin mentor they don't. But you don't know Jamaican mentor. You know used to Jamaican mentor. You don't know what is called banjo, Jamaican banjo music. I eat this man. But of course this is electronic, you know, but them me love when them capture it. That's why me want to read him here. You understand when them make the intro, right? And them get the right name. National pride. President, you know what them call bands at Jamaica? What them call bands? Like regular band? You think a regular band? If you go Jamaica and them have like in the country, and them say them have 9 nights and one band go there, is not a regular band. The trick is, if them say one band I go there and it is singular, then it's a regular band with a bass player, a lead guitar, and a drummer, right? If them say one band, I go there. But if you hear them say bands, what them I refer to is a banjo player, and them have one box, when them call it, one, I think a rumba box, so them call it, you know, that big thick box where the man sit down and boom, look at something there, yeah? And then sometimes them have some little kettle drum, like, you know, whatever. But even though it's one of them call it bands. So nah man, them look nuances them I love about Jamaica, you know. And them things that I teach people in a prezi. So when you hear them say bands, and you hear the S panning, it's still one band, you know, but it's not the tradition, the band where you used to, are the traditional band. But if them say one band, I got the meaning band. Then you know say are the regular trap drum them, you know, and the bass drum and the whatever. But you see that old school something here with the banjo and the big rumba box and what them call a rattler drum. President, let me tell you, not no sweet song. Me don't know no other well, what if Jamaican music sweet? But me I tell you, say, when you hear country people play them, this is music you President. All when you're boring and can't dance, you have to move. President, you have one brother in a TamFam named Robert Blackwood. He can't dance, he can't move, and if Robert Blackwood hear the music, he have to move. You understand what I say? You know Tina call all the while or whatever. Tina can't dance. Every time Tina whine and go down, she can't come back up. Every time Tina whine and go down, she cannot come back up. You understand? And even when the music they play or whatever, Tina can whine and come back up, and the music do that to them, right? Right, so big up all of my country people who play bands music. And when we say bands music, we are talking about the whole school something there. Eh? What you say what? What? Oh, your food. Ah. All right, well, President, before you go for your food, then you want to start the rhythm, then I go for your food. You want to start? All right, start him. Well, President, before you started, people, you know, me as a course, President say after the show started, go for your food. President, people, you know, say President go time way, you know, to make sure say him order him food early and everything, because him no want Raga cuss him and ear again, you know. People, you know, say them send President the wrong food. President, if you call and cuss them and I say, you see, you're going to make me forget for my food when the show start, and Raga go cuss me, you know. I think the President will understand. So, all right, start the rhythm again and go on for your food.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Let's go.
Time.
National pride rhythm again. Ready.
I need Mixup and
Hey.
Blenda time.
Hey.
I'm
Hey.
wanting to call and talk
Hey.
to Kingston.
Hey.
I'm
Hold on. The boy have you and the girl have beard with the same red rock.
Money.
Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red Raga. Then people that look at me and say you're agoniering because the way we are.
Yo, that word them mad. Agoniering.
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 Put a brown at Jamaica, you know.
Ragashanti are the mix of daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on.
Yes, Ragashanti. Do you know how Richie feelings this, right?
Hey.
I know me have to listen to your
Hey.
program because you talk a crocus bag of things with the handle side of it.
Sonia, big up yourself. Hey, here we go.
I Mixup and Blenda time.
Ragashanti live.
Listen, I'ma play my tambourine.
I Mixup and Blenda time.
Ragashanti live.
Slang diggy diggy da ba 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 da ba 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 do ba ba. Check it up. Check it up.
I Mixup
Check it
and
up.
Blenda
Check it up.
time.
Check it up. Check it up. Check it up. Ba ba da ba da ba da ba da ba. Ba ba da ba da ba da ba da ba. Ba ba da ba da ba. Jamaica, come in at this. Boogie them brands, forward.
I Mixup
Brooklyn, where you
and
there?
Blenda time.
All Queens massive, big up on yourself. Let's go. Manhattan, hey, 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 hey. Big up Grenada. Sonia, big up Grenada too. Big up Jamaica. Hey. Babada.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Man. Okay. All right away, we are going to just make you know what I'm going. I'm going to just run the thing pound right away. So, a man and a woman are date scene, and them did have them anniversary. Not wedding anniversary, like anniversary since them day and whatever. And him buy her one bad outfit. Him buy her one bad outfit and thing and whatever, because him know her size and all him something. Him buy her some bad shoes, expensive shoes, red bottom and all these things and whatever. Buy her a bad outfit and thing and surprise her. And when she come home and thing, the shoes dead and thing and stocking dead and the dress dead and whatever, everything fit her perfectly. And she just love him. Because she said she never meet a man yet who can just know for buy clothes. Because woman picky about them clothes, And she, she a glamour girl, glamour woman and things. So she appreciate that, because she particular about her clothes and the man know for buy her, it was a black dress. Classic, sexy black dress. Buy her the outfit and thing and whatever and thing, And them go, a New York, them they still. Queens, it was. And them go Manhattan. Chauffeur driven, carrier go Manhattan, them get a black car. And for you Jamaicans who black car is like it's like a sophisticated taxi, right? That's the term them use up here. And thing and whatever, and them go do them dinner and all these things and so forth and ray. One next time now, something did come up and them did a travel. Them did a go on next country. And she go buy her outfit them and buy what she want wear or the thing. But him go buy a bunch of things for her too. And then when she pack her thing now, I'm saying, no man, something I pick out of them and whatever. And she's like, wow, but a lot of them was like casual wear because them did a go one far country where it's still summery. One of them South Asian country then. No, I don't. Well, yeah, I'd say I think it's Fiji. One of them places then, right? Somewhere far over on the Asian side, and him buy a load of things where she can wear. In the D and all these things and whatever, and him buy them something they gear. Also, them live together, But she have her house. And on several occasions, she did pay her mortgage before them there. But then after them there, and she live and she have her house where she rent out and whatever. Some of the time them pay for her mortgage too. So pay for him mortgage, but sometimes, not all the time, pay for her mortgage too. Alright. Him in the business where him in, him and one man did kick off about some money business. The kick off for him and the man kick off, it resulted in years and years of animosity between him and the man. To the point where the man was like his biggest enemy. And he was of course the man's biggest enemy too. So after she did with him, she come to know about the drama with him and the man there. But him and the man, them have mutual friends. And the mutual friends know that the two of them don't get along. So you know that's something that where you have a group of friends, but two of them don't get along. So things kind of, sometimes it's awkward with the friend them how you navigate the two of them when they get along. So that did go on. So she come and learn about that. After she and him a juggle for a while and thing. One woman from Long Island, him end up meet one woman from Long Island for some drama. Not drama, them end up meet somewhere, whatever. And them a communicate and thing. And she hear about the communication and find out about it. So she moved to him now and I said, yo, how you and a woman in her? Why you and her always a communicate? And him I said, no, me and her ain't nothing. We not do nothing. We not do nothing and thing and whatever, and, So she keep on ask him about it and thing, and him keep on tell her, say, yo, me and the woman don't do nothing. It reach a point where she say, she not comfortable with it. Right? And apparently, in the end, him really never did do nothing with the woman, you know. In the end, him really never did do nothing with the woman. But she did just but the woman did like him. But she just thinks that something did go on because woman know when woman like man. Woman know when woman eyes them man, you know. Woman just know that something there. Sometimes you not have to tell them. Again, you know, me always tell them, a man with amongst 50 women. Right? And 30 of the woman a touch up the man, and whatever. And him woman have no problem with that. And you have one woman who really like him like that and want him like that and whatever, and she probably don't even not touch him, man. And a woman there, woman just have that sixth sense there. Them can just pick up and say, you see that one, them me don't like she. And you as a man, me I say to your woman like, what you not like she for? Look how much woman they around me, look up, me not busy with all of them. I see me not like that one, them me not like. Me don't like that one there. Me don't like she. Woman just have that something there. So anyway, she does have that thing against the woman because she knows that the woman really like him. And the woman really like him for true, but him and the woman never involved in nothing. So them argue about that and whatever. Till she reach a point where she says she's so uncomfortable with it, she ask him to stop talk to the woman. So him say him can't do that because him never do nothing wrong. So she said, no, but just for my comfort, in the relationship and thing, and give her that, me not like that woman there, whatever, this and that. Stop talk to her. And him say, no, me not see no reason why I'm supposed to stop talk to her. Me can't understand if she did do something with disrespectful to you, then would I stop, or me they go do something with disrespectful or whatever, or something come. But I say, no, me not see no reason why you can't just not like somebody who me get along with and then you tell me something if I stop talk to her, I must stop talk to her. So I'm saying, no. Them end up argue about it and look a vexation go on about it and teach y'all go spend some time by herself, you know. Them still there, you know, but you know that's something there where y'all breeze all the person and just go stay or your mother or whatever, she for y'all 2 weeks and thing. And this and that and whatever. But them still a go on and a juggle and thing. She bring up back the argument to him now after them, you know, them get back in and thing. And it end up in a one big cussing out. One nasty, dirty cussing out. Where the two of them end up just cross lines with each other, say some hurtful things to each other. But them never say them left. Them end up in just one big, dirty, nasty cussing out. She now feel disrespected by what him say. She feels that him did this or more in the cussing out and things. So she said, all right. You remember the man enemy? The man number one enemy and whatever. This woman a go to her way. Figure put herself in a position where she and the man number one enemy start talk. Them nothing not go on, you know. She and him just, you know, she put herself in the way where she go meet him and whatever and attack or whatever. Because she want her man to find out, you know. Of course, through the whole of them, you know, them a big man them, you know. Big, you know, what we call big man, like I know young boy them. So through the whole of them, you know, them in them little circle. Of course, word reach back to him. So, hold on, then oh, your woman hang out with so and so and so and so and so. So, of course, him go to her and say, you hang out with such man? But she spite him, you know. So she say, yeah, I meet him so and me and him talk. But you know where that come from, you know. Because basically, you know, she made the argument that say, me know say you not gonna like when me attack to your enemy. Right? And you not gonna want me to continue. And however you are gonna feel, me want you to know say so me feel about the woman. Now, sidebar. Right away, right there, so I think she wrong this, you know, two different something, you know. Right? Because the man where she gone with him there with is our man mortal enemy. The woman where she have problem with, she don't even know the damn woman. Yeah, and so two different something. But anybody who know life, who don't know a woman stay with them something there. Like anything man do to them where them not like, you see, when them a do it back to man, it a multiply all 100 times or 1,000 times or whatever. Many of them don't know about all them something when man get a woman bun and when woman a bun him back and one wicked a bun him again and them something. So me, you can understand why I go understand. So them end up in an argument about it and thing and whatever and they must say, yo, the heights of disrespect that and whatever and you make my friend them a clown me out and this and that and whatever. I make the man a walk and talk all kind of things about me and whatever this and that. She said, well, not the same thing you do to me. And I said, no, it's not the same thing and that. You know, you be spiteful and you be childish and whatever. And big argument again between him and she. Because him put on him foot and say, if you think that's going to make me stop talk to the woman, right? Me's a grown man. I can't talk to whom I want to talk to. And the woman don't do me nothing. I don't look the woman, whatever this and that and I'm supposed to can't talk to whom I want to talk to. No disrespect, no dead so. Right? If something disrespectful did happen, I would have stopped chat to her. Right? So he put on film foot. She put on her foot and said, it's irrelevant. Say nothing ever happened or whatever. May I tell her I'm uncomfortable with that woman and Basically, she use an argument like should I say, yo, don't rub butter or puss mouth because whatever this and that. And I'm uncomfortable with it, and if me a your woman, I'm uncomfortable with it and don't like it or whatever, even though nothing go on, you for just kind of balance up your things certain way and govern your little conduct in a way where you cut out that something there. Just to make me, your woman, feel good and whatever. Them end up argue about it again. She I tell him say she just attack to the man because she say he's just a friend and whatever. People, you know say, talking about rub butter or puss mouth. She and the man, the enemy, go end up and do this something with them. Them end up go sort out. And the enemy man, oh, me feel a dirty man based on what I'm going to tell you right now. But anyway, him go back go tell some of the friend them out of the crew. Because remember say him hate the man, but she there with So him go back go tell couple man them in the crew and I say, yo, kill it, and whatever. Not only him go do that, but apparently, when them did do the something with them, she give my headers. And apparently her head game bad. So when him now I tell him the man them about it and I say, Ray, him go tell him say, boy, I just do it, for see if she can run it for me and whatever this and that and you don't know something I like it, boy already and whatever. Somebody just want to do it at one time. But him go tell the brethren them say, yo, but her head game so good. Me did have to go back there. So one of the brethren them when I ask now, ask him, say, so wait, I'm more than one time. And him say, yeah, man, me have to go back there more than one time, man. And he give him all kind of details, just about them go and whatever. Dirty man, he chat too damn much. But anyway, and him give them all kind of details and go run him, go fly him dirty mouth on the woman and all. And I mean, I can't do nobody, I just have a thing with man who chat too much with them, something. That is just my personal thing. And whatever. And so, him go fly him mouth and thing and whatever. And then, one go pinch one and say, no tell nobody nothing. And I say, boy, disrespect that him shouldn't go so far. And, some other one of them I say, no, but she, really, whatever, and this and that and really. So look at talkings are going and it are going at the circle now till it reach one of them who really rate fear man. And I saw now him go now go so boom and say to the man, say, rrr. This a go on in a doggy, whatever. And tell him everything. I tell him about the headers. And thing, him a Jamaican, All of them are not Jamaican, but the one where she there with him a Jamaican. So when him go hear about, say she go burn him with him enemy. He mash up him head. Not only mash up him head, him start harp on the part where she go do the headers and thing or whatever. I don't know. He must know about the headers because him been a get it no. So he must know say the headers something that true and whatever. So him start and say, boy, even if she go do it, who she go give him headers from with this and that and ray. So now, after him here, him breeze her for a while. Which is good, man, you know. I am a strong proponent of that. If you say your mother, you're angry about certain things, but you may behave in a way where you could have ended up in a prison or something, let it go. All right? But so him breeze her for a while. But she don't know why him breeze her for, because him just not chat to her, you know. Them end up link up now, and him just calmly say to her, say, boy, you know, say you really go wrong and me and you can't be together, you know. Bad as it is, you know, would have vex say you burn me, but you go burn me with my enemy. You go burn me with my mortal enemy, which means say you set out to spite me. She, you know, she start denied from yesterday till eternity. And she go do the balling thing, end up do the balling thing. People don't know about that balling something there, you know. Yeah, man, you have some woman them ball for leverage. I call them ball pan Q woman. Ball pan Q woman are some of the most dangerous woman there is. Ball pan Q woman. Woman who can ball pan Q. Particularly when them argue, or when them in a something, or when them go in a court and whatever and thing. People, the woman them who can plan when them are go ball. You know, strategic about them balling and them are go ball at this point or whatever, or certain things reach them and them start ball. And him say the way she a ball and whatever, and the way she go on and thing and whatever, and she say a lie them a tell and thing. Him say, he kind of rock him in and him say him start all I wonder say if I really true. Because I say, because the man I'm enemy, I say, I wonder if the man go really, you know, go say them something there and whatever and nothing no go so. You understand? Him say the way she a ball and a go on. Him I wonder if anything could have really go so for true. Because like the balling thing reach him and start rocking him head, you know? And them start talk a little bit and whatever, but the thing never balance up, but he start talk. Because in a female mind, he must say the way she react, I could have lied the boy I tell him enemy. Bops to clot. Real Jamaican something that in a bops. Bops. Him brethren just come and say, here we go on. Me I show you something about, me not give it to you. Me just want to show you, yeah? People don't know say it's a video the man come out with. You see that phone something there? That mix up you have several layers, you know. Yeah, me I come press it with the brake, me I come. You don't know say it's a video the man come out with. You don't know say the dirty man did video the woman. When I tell you she give him headers and him secretly video her. I deal with the matter. You understand? Full of skill. Talk about oral skills. Right? I deal with the matter. Whatever. And the man show the man the video. And when him show the man the video to write it, the man just get vexed and whatever, and him friend just tell him, calm down, and him say, oh, him a go over there now, go deal with her, and him friend say, me I come with you, and him say, why? Friend say, me I come with you, and whatever, and him drive off, and him friend drive off and follow him, and the two of them go over there, and this and that, and whatever. And when them reach over them, just tell her, say, leave my house and go back where you live, and whatever, and and thing, and whatever, and she the night, and the brethren just tell her, say, no, I true, you know, and him know say I true, because Mr. Man, they didn't make one video, you know. And she said, I lie, I don't know what I talk about, I don't know about no video, I don't know about nothing and whatever, this and that, and So the friend now goes to boom and back out the phone and show her the video. And when she see the video, now her head hurt her. You talk about evidence now, you know, man. Her head hurt her. She turned around and start cussing friend. It's typical, like, well, that is irrelevant. She a cussing man and say, well, a dirty man, they come record me and this and that, and she go sue the man, which is a total separate issue. And whatever. But some I tell us that the mix-up have multiple layers, you know. But what it lead to now, and how me go get the mix-up, is based upon one Ragashanti Life classic when we just put out today. And it depends. Tekki back, mix up. Right? People who give people things and take them back. Right? And I saw we get the mix up. Because the brother now, and at this me want to the meds and tell me one thing. Because the man was so mad. He man just start take back things when him dress when buy gear, clothes when buy gear upon the vacation. You know that's something when you get angry, you just start take back everything. Right? And him did all ask her back for the mortgage money, which him can't get. I can't tell him that. Him can't get that. Him not gonna get that. Even if him go court, him not gonna get that. Right? Because it wasn't a loan and them things there. But him start take back sneakers, the man a take back. Prezi. The man buy lingerie for the thing, and man a take back in lingerie, then the man a take back everything. You understand? So she start cussing and say, well, it look like you need for that because you're a dirty man and ray. He man take back a black dress. The man take back, him say, what is stacking there? He man take back the stacking, the red bottom, everything. He man just take back everything. Come on to my place and give me back everything. Come on to my place and give me back everything, and I take back everything. So she start cussing him now and say, and God reveal this. This did for happen. Can you say you're a dirty man? Can you take back things? Any man get woman things and take it back them a dirty man and whatever. And the man say, you have any right to call me dirty man? You have any basis to call me dirty man? So President debate end up be like, is the man justified in taking back the things given what she do? President, what you think? Well, me I hear it on the same plane right there, you know. But we have disagreement with it because me I talk about it, me I say, no, him not justified for take back the things. If you give her some, you give her some, let it go. But, you know, people are reason and I say, but look on the level of wickedness what she do. Look how she go burn the man with the man enemy. Look how she go give the man one name brand headers. Look how she ball and say she never do it and say the man. They must say that at the least the man could have do to feel better about himself or whatever. Me still maintain him should take back the thing now. I'm not defend her in the present. Me not defend her. Me say him should take back the things him anyway. You follow what I say? So we are going to break right now. And when we come back, we are dealing with Tekki back mix-up. Tekki back mix-up. Any mix-up want to know, a classic topic this we deal with Ragashanti live. Any mix-up want to know where people give somebody something and take it back. Where people give you something and take it back. And if we're not courageous enough, we're not call into and tell we instances of when uno give somebody something and take it back. Because anytime we do take it back mix-up, nobody no call about that side there in a prison. Them don't call and tell you when them give somebody something and take it back, you know. Them always call and tell when people give them things and take it back, which is good. But if we're brave enough, we want to call in and give it that side there too. If only give people things and take it back, and then if we feel so only they justified in taking it back, based on all the people them did violate with them or whatever them do, we make us say, boy, I'm have to take back that something you seen. Alright? So when I break, I want to come back, we get down to the matter so forward.
From Flat Bridge
to the George Washington Bridge, from the top of the Empire State Building to the Blue Mountain Peak,
from the Grill Point
to Morant Point,
to Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens, Manhattan, New York City.
it's IrieJam.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Check. Back in the thing, of course, I mix up there. I want 11 mix up, right? I want 5 pepper mix up. I saw a rate to mix up them Scotch bonnet pepper levels, you understand? If you mix up proper, a 5 pepper mix up, me consider, where's the president? I want 5 pepper mix up there. A 5 Scotch that. 5 Scotch that for that mix up there. 5 Scotch for that mix up there. I know me like when sometimes they mix up them, you know, and the mix up them reach a conclusion and that's it. The conclusion either funny or hilarious. But I am particularly intrigued with the mix up them will end in an ambiguous way where there is no clear side to take. There is some sort of debate there, I suppose, if you say that side are right or that side are wrong. And this is one of those mix up. Right? So right now, I want to call in and tell me what you think about it. Or if you don't have any other Tekki back mix-up, that's the thing there for tonight. Or any other mix-up you want to have. Any other mix-up you want to have, you just call in and share up with something with them and think Tekki back mix-up. Right? If you have a mix-up with somebody give you something or did I buy some things for you and thing and then you and them fall out and them take it back. Or you did give somebody some things or want something or whatever. And something go down and you felt justified in taking it back, call in and give it a mix up there. Or if you have any other mix up on a thing or whatever, just call in and share them. The numbers are, if you're calling from Jamaica, the number is 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. If you're calling from the United States or Canada, the toll-free number is 888-546-8742. Again, if you're calling from the United States or Canada, the number is 888-546-8742. Bring it in, President. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Greeted, Raga.
All right, if you're there, hold on. If you're there on speakerphone, Bluetooth, or earpiece, come off here.
On a speakerphone.
All right. If the radio playing at the background, move away from it or turn it off.
Move. You
right.
hear me good now?
Yeah, man, I hear you good. We just don't want to hear them something too. All right, well, go on, talk to me.
Yeah, me give and take back, you know.
Explain.
And I know an instance where I have a friend who gives something and she take it back.
Tell me about them. Tell me about your one first.
Can't talk for life, but that was my friend. She her baby father died.
What, President, let me see the wall. Yeah. Our baby father died and what?
Yeah. So our baby father died and he had 3 baby mothers, including her.
Yeah.
So the last baby them when get.
Yeah.
Them young, so he never really get to meet them before him die or so forth. So everybody's wondering funeral keep and all of that.
Yeah.
Them can't see the baby them. Nobody can see the baby them. So it's she did get some money and so forth.
Yeah.
So she said, what are the goodness of your art? She did go make them get some.
Right.
I've seen that. You know, them a same baby father and thing, and he died.
Yeah.
So he never really did it. So she decided that she would be a good Samaritan and give.
Oh, and that would have been commendable because she put differences aside and say it's not the picnic them fault and look money left since him dead. Somebody could just give them picnic there something and thing. Yeah, go on, ta. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so she did it and she go prepare up herself to go get them money and so forth. So everybody keep on asking her what happened to the baby because she say a twin them, you know. So she has them and say, what happened to the baby them? And one of them friends say, I want to see a picture of the baby and so forth. So she sent the picture of the baby. But, you know, looking upon it look Photoshop and so forth. So, you know, say, me wouldn't get myself involved kind of really my business.
Yeah.
And I know my problem.
Yeah.
So, one day I sit down and I have a conversation and I remember I start laugh. So, I take up my phone, use the picture of them for start search.
Mm-hmm.
So, I go online, the same baby them what she sent, and then I see for $89.55.
What you say? The picture of the baby them myself for $89.55.
The exact same twin. You know, the same clothes, same place, everything.
The same picture, them, the same face, everything. Them call them stock photos. Or online, them call them stock photos, and you can buy them, and you have the royalty rights for use them, and because you buy them. So them go buy the picture of them, and I use them picture there, and I say a fiend picture them or whatever. That means say a straight scam them and run down.
Yeah. And then she well willing for you to go and give her money for say, all right, you know, say, my son, brother and sister them, so you know me have to go help them. And can you believe the shock when she say them herself $89.95?
$89.95. I think it's a 55. $89.95.
$89.25 US. Can you imagine?
No, hold on. $89. what you say, 25 cents, 55 cents, or 95 cents?
95, 89, 95.
89, 95. US.
Yes.
All right then. So what happened after that, you know? What happened after that?
So when she go call the girl, she not answer, no. Because when she get the girl number and I call, she never answer.
Yeah.
So like, the friend who she send the picture, go up there and go shoot. Ask her if she can see the baby them. She said to their friend, she said no, because them asleep.
The baby them asleep.
Yeah, the friend keep on say, yeah, man, I want to see the baby them come and bring something for the baby them.
Yeah.
So I want to see them, and you know, my friend baby them, and we come from far, so you know, so I have to look out for them.
Yeah.
So I carry some money for them and so forth, but me not engage me not see them.
Yeah.
She start go up and she start find every excuse. She can't wake them, and she can't this or she can't that. So the friend say when he pop out this phone and say, so them baby look like the one them where your friend can give me. Instead she start stutter you know, so I just look a joke me did I run still. Me just be in a position where me need look at help. So me just there see if me could have used the way they forget it. So you know, say all of the something them what she did get.
Yeah.
The people them start come back to it.
Oh, so everybody,
Contribute, they start come back to it.
Oh, so everybody who did who related to the brother were dead, you know, who she did that tell people say she breed for her pitney, who did that give her things and help her out, you know, and I said this are for the pitney, them, this are for the pitney. Well, you say everybody start move to her and I said them want back them things, no?
Yes, all the baby mother what did done say she go sign up or something. She say, can you imagine if she did go? She have to start think twice. All her head start hurt her.
Well, you know what, say in that situation there, me support the take it back right there, so.
Yes, man, me support it
No,
too.
me support that too. That's a straight scam.
You can take it back.
No, that's a straight scam. Me I take it back too. And all if I pampers me the gear, me want back the pampers them. And she better give me the same brand when me give her. Because then me the gear Huggies pampers. And one of them she couldn't even give me back no idiot pampers. She have to give me back the same pampers when me give her. Because she a wicked. You understand? No, that take it back them. Me justify that take it back them. Me justify that take it back.
Me justify it too. Yes.
No, that one here, that mix up your heavy. No, I want them take back. Listen to me, if them give you ice mint, ginger lag, or lollipop, or Skittles, me would tell them they would have to take back the Skittles too. Yeah, the Twizzler them, Snicker bar, Kit Kat, they have to take back the Kit Kat them too. And the Twizzler them too, everything. All if she didn't give them something and say, yo, she want snow cone here. I would don't know say the snow cone melt out. She try go buy one snow cone and bring it back. Cause she wicked. She wicked. Take it back, yes. Me don't wrong them. Pampers, anything. All if she go back old school and go nappy, she better find a nappy and send them back. But anyway, you know say you go like you want to go around me down. You know say you go like you don't respect me down.
Where do I?
Or if you treat me some man, from a listen to your voice, I know say you don't sound like somebody with a disrespect Ragashanti.
I would never do that.
So why you don't want to tell me what you did take back?
Can't talk live. What if I things again take back? Can't talk live.
So just give me a little in, but just give me like a little sense of what it is. No, but of course you can't give me no identifying information where I go, but just give me like a little sense of it, you know, so we can have a context of it.
Have a context of it?
Yeah, like the thing where you did take back, right? So obviously you can't say everything live for certain reasons that you know. Some of us I said just give you a little sense of what it is so we have an understanding about it. The context, yeah.
No problem. Few years ago.
Yeah.
Good while.
Yeah.
So met someone and you know we are going to hang out young. So you know we are going to hang out and things.
Yeah.
Like things happen and that one they see like say well then I never get that what me did give and never that me did want.
Right.
So, you know, I go back.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, say, me have to go and put it to the place and say, listen, when me did give more, you have to come back better with. You understand?
Oh, so, you mean I like sort out?
Yeah, man. So, you know, say, I have to go give me it back. Just like how I could have given him good, I have to go give me it back. Even better.
What are they? Tambourine! So So what you say? So certain things go on and you put it on him good. You give him a good work, don't it? Right? You give him a good. Yeah, you put it on him property. You make sure so you go to your way if you deal with the matter good. And when him return the favor, some look a fenke work him can put on you down. Yeah.
You don't want that.
And you don't want that. And you just go to him and say, here we're going right now. So well on now. So me really want to understand now. So what you did that do? Well, so you want him give back something in return, or you basically say you give him a good work, so you want to take back your good work?
Yeah. Yes, same way. You can't get good and then you come on. You ever come outside no, you have to give me it back. Just like when I'm now going to see it till 3 months' time.
Till 3 months' time, I think I wait. After... No, but I have always said, what is the one thing when man get woman, and if the woman want it back, we don't have no problem I give it back. I always say, what is the one thing where we men, if we get woman and the woman say she want it back, we're glad we say, oh, you want it back, come take it back. And it is grinding. It is the plumbing.
Yes, man. Yes, some people, when you get, you have so many,
Yeah.
Two them have a lifestyle so them have to deal with he, she. My apologies.
Yeah.
He, she, and the old lady.
Yeah, the way of them juggle them thing.
Come in and come with, listen, I'm tired and no, that not gonna work for me.
And then you give him a good work and thing. But basically, that's different though, because saying that...
No, that's not different, because if you did... It's not different, because if you there, in the whole day, you there one place, you're not working.
No, what me I say is, you take back a good work, because that is different from saying, me give you a good work, you need to reciprocate. Reciprocate is not taking back, it is saying, you need to give me something on the same standard that I gave you. That is being reciprocal. But that is different from saying, you need to give me back what I gave you. So if you give somebody a good work, you take back that?
Well, literally give me back.
Oh, what you mean? So him reciprocate. Him up him game. Him up him game and give a good...
give me and beyond what me did supposed to get.
Papa Jesus. Don't it?
And he owe me it for a long time and he never want to give me. So listen, he have to come with it even better.
And you know, so me a Ragashanti, so me keep it real and talk it truth. Him give one good swipe to them.
No, he's not that person.
Him never get a good swipe, auntie. But him they put it on for you good differently though, don't it?
And if I tell you, couldn't walk for the week there.
You couldn't walk for the week there. You have to do that little space out something there, don't you? Foot them kind of...
And we the guy in front of the fan, I just open up.
Yeah, and just breeze it out and thing, make it, me know that's something there, little bruisings and all these things and whatever. Pressure. You think you're easy. You think you... Anyway, big up yourself. We have to leg right now because we have to break top of the hour here.
No problem.
All right. No respect, man. Yeah, man. I like the energy where the show started. Just to remind you, particularly the listeners on the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica. On Friday nights, we are simulcasting to the New York metropolitan area. And when we do so at the top of the hour, we have to break for 3 minutes, right? So we're going to break for 3 minutes on what is 10 o'clock our time here and what is 9 o'clock in Jamaica. And of course, the same thing is going to happen on what is 11 o'clock our time here, what is 10 o'clock in Jamaica. And then the show done after the other hour. So we're going to take that break now for 3 minutes, and when we come back, we want to keep up the same energy. And we want to call in with the mix up them, but the Tekki back mix up them and think Ragashanti at work. And when me I work, me ain't no pat down thing. Because when me I come correct. And I choose that word deliberately. Come. When me I come correct. So me want to come correct. Because me there so for work and me could enjoy myself and laugh and hear some good mix up and learn the something of them. Somebody say, what? Tambourine! So here right now, we're going to take a break and thing. We're going to just go and balance up on the thing and just go and remember the Tekki back mix up them and thing. And then we'll forward and call in and share up with some of them. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Back in the juggling, people. Back in the juggling. I mean, I'm Ragashanti. I'm here, Miss Cherry Wash Belly. My mama last pick me, I understand. I saw the thing set and with a pan thing name. Tekki back mix up. This is an entertainment show, right? It's an culture and lifestyle entertainment show. And we talk about mix up and all these things. And we laugh about mix up and learn from mix up and all them something there and thing. I saw the thing set. And we kick it off with a mix up and thing. But we're going to give you like, a Reader's Digest version of the mix up and again. So we had this couple. And man and woman there, and the man go meet, the man buy up a whole heap of things for the woman throughout the relationship, buy a whole heap of clothes, buy up a whole heap of this, for nice dates and vacations and all these stuff and whatever. Then the man met this woman, and him and the woman, they were just friends. But him woman never liked the woman because the woman did really like him, but him not like her like that, and them just friends and them talk, and him woman ask him say must stop talk to that woman there. And he must say, but no, him and I not do nothing, which him and I never really do anything for true and whatever. So him not say why him supposed to give up him friendship and thing like that, and him never do nothing and she never do nothing, but for him woman put on him foot. I say him need for leg of that friend there. Them end up a big dirty cussing about it, left, right, and center, big dirty cussing about it and thing. She know him woman go befriend him mortal enemy, right? A man who a him enemy, she go befriend him, him and this and that and whatever, and thing, and then him hear about that, and I say, why you do that? And she say, yeah, but you have a friendship with somebody who me not comfortable with, so now me have a friendship with somebody who you not comfortable with, and him I say, no, you violate this one, all these things, and you need to let go that, and whatever, that cause a little tension in it, well, not a little, a significant tension in the relationship and so forth. Hours beat, one a mutual friend in them crew and whatever, come pinch your brethren and I say, yo, not only she attack to your enemy, but she run it pan him and thing and whatever and this and that, and she all give him, them have them sort out, and she give him some name brand headers and all these things and whatever, and blah, blah, blah. So him go to her and she deny it, and she said nothing ever go, so I lie them a tell for me and blah, 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 blah. Only if it's a video, flip out and thing because him enemy did video she when she sent her the headers and whatever, and him see the video and thing, and she see the video and thing, mash up. And after that mash up, him say him want back all of the things them when him did buy gear. And him start take back the things, them take back dress, him and take back stocking. One a big date where them did go pan and thing when buy the black dress for her and the stocking and the shoes, the man take back everything, the man take back sneakers, him take back shorts. Him take back what woman call top. When woman say, one look at top, him buy a whole heap of top for her, night top. Him take back everything. Did all want back him mortgage. Him did pay some mortgage because she have for her house separate. Him did all want back them money that which him never get back, which him can't get back either by law, because that is a gift, and him can't take it back. It wasn't a loan. He does not have a contractual agreement to say that, the loan should have been repaid or anything of that sort. And but him never get back that, but him start take back everything. Was he in the right for take back the things him? Given what she had done, the violation where she committed against him, was he in the right? So I want to call in and talk about that and thing. Or if we don't have some other situation to where uno did in a position where somebody go on the things, I want to know somebody who gives somebody else something and take it back. Just call in and tell about them. Call in and tell about them. And if you're brave enough and bold enough and thing where, if you listen right now, and you did give somebody something, whether you did there with them, whether you're relative or you did there with them or whatever, but you did give somebody something or some things, and you found justification in taking them back, call me and tell me about it, right? The number from Jamaica is 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996. If you're calling from the United States, the number is toll-free. From the United States or Canada, the number is toll-free, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. 8742 888-546-8742. Anybody know Ali from over Amazura? Tell him say Ragashanti I try reach him. Anybody who know Ali who own Amazura? Tell him say Ragashanti I try reach him. It's a sidebar that. Wanna call Ali right now and tell him, say, Ragashanti on ear. I say him need to talk to Ali right now. Ali, the owner of Amazura. Wanna link Ali right now and tell him, say, Ragashanti on ear. I say, yo, link up. Anyway, give me a caller, President. Give me a caller. Send her. Hello.
Yeah, man.
Greetings.
That's what they tell man, it's wicked man. So
Yeah.
the woman get the man born and the man never give her no about the best friend. How wicked is that, man?
So you said the woman wrong?
The woman wrong, because guess what? He never do the girlfriend.
No, him never do nothing with her. Him never do.
Enemy.
But here is a question.
Yeah, so she should.
All right, hold on. Establish that the woman wrong, right? Very, very wrong. All right? Terrible violation. Is he right in taking back the things them when him give her?
Boy, that's a tough one there.
No, you have to make a call. You can't stay upon the fence. You have to make a call.
Never mix up.
No, hold on. Before you tell with the mix up, you have to make a call. You can't stay upon the side. You can't stay upon the fence. One way or the other. Him right for take it back, for take back the things them, or him wrong for take back the things them when him did buy gear. Before you give with the mix up.
Well, it depends on where I take back.
No. You see, I go around the thing. Me don't tell you say him a take back clothes, him take back shoes, him man take back stocking. The man did not want to take back a mortgage money, the money in Ph.D. and whatever this. So me I say, give it that thing, take back clothes, shoes, and all of them something they went back.
And you can't give back the mortgage because it's a gift.
No, we're not talking about the mortgage, but me I say, give it that him, take back all of them, look at something they went buy gear and whatever. Him wrong or him right for do that.
Well, if you get it back, then him right.
No, me not ask if him get it back, you know. Me I say if the fact say him go take them back, him wrong or him right. So you say him right, you say him right.
Yeah, me give him right, him get it back him right.
Yeah, right. Why you say that reluctantly, you know? All right, send out the mix up. I could hear the mix up, you know.
All right, me did in a one relationship with one girl, right?
Yeah.
And all this time, me never know, sir, a person that's supposed to be our friend used to be our ex. So, me never know.
Oh, so you did there with that woman and she have a bread. Hold on. The bread you know she have is a man, right?
Yeah.
And she basically say her friend, but she never make it know say that friend was her ex.
Exactly.
All right, go and talk, yeah.
So, the whole time, me never know because whatever happened with them just, call her quits and just end up becoming friends.
Yeah.
So me they end up being with the girl for like 2 years now, and everything I work good, and then next thing we know, she and her family getting in one little argument. So
yeah,
they go buy one nice little place where
yeah.
She says she can't stay. She never did pay no rent or nothing like that. I say, yo, get a place for me and you.
Yeah.
So you're good. You don't have to worry about you and your family argue very rare.
Yeah.
So now, I can say it's like a good 3 years now. So then, next thing we know, she now come home like before. Now come home and if you wonder like a wagwa, like she's come there when she feel like come there.
Yeah.
And then next thing you know, she tell me say she go with her family.
Yeah.
So here I go on a Raga.
Yeah.
One of my birds them have a job where he do like a cleaning job in the city.
Yeah.
With his people them. So I'm telling me for road through for give my hand. So I say alright.
Yeah.
So then I tell them where I go on and then say, yo, I go stop over the crib where she there.
Yeah.
And come like me even want to do it, but I say, alright, cool. I have to do the job. We can't stop over there and visit over our people some crib.
Yeah.
Raga, you see me go over there and knock on the door now.
Yeah.
The boy answer the door.
Backside, the so-called friend answer the door, no?
Yeah, he answer the door. In shirt off. And see sneaker and our sneaker dead at the same place at the bed.
Hold on. Hold on. Him not have no shirt. And what you say about bed, what?
Her sneaker and Fim sneaker together by the bedside.
Fia sneaker and Fim sneaker, they beside the bed together. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then what else?
So then, me tap her, me say, oh, what go on? And she look at me and say, oh, hey.
No. Hold on. What she did there, no? What she did there? Tell me what she did there. And how she did dress and what she did.
She was in her bed asleep.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
you can see the part where him did a lay down right beside her.
Right, okay. Get them details are important, you know. So, and not them alone, they are the place, don't?
Well, her brother and sister was in the other room.
Okay. But in the room where she there, you can see him and her in another room there. So, okay, go on talk.
Yeah, so then, me say, yo, me know say, when me see them something there, me know say something alright.
Yeah.
So then, me just left it and didn't say nothing because guess what? I didn't see anything in the car. I didn't want to jump anything, so I just left it. And then when me leave, my virgin tell me, say, yo, Kapoor, me not like what me see, you know?
Yeah.
And so me not like what me see, you know? Me say, yo,
Yeah.
me not like what me see either. So, you know what?
Yeah.
Me left it alone. So then, me end up going one club. And then I see one of her girlfriend them. This is like a month later. I see one of her girlfriend them. And then her girlfriend asked me if you still with that girl there.
Yeah.
And me say, you know what? Let me say no. Just to say no. So I say no. So the girl got to tell me, say, oh, it was a good thing to left her alone because she and what's name did all big things, you know? And she says, right, what? And me say, it's a good thing me to say no, even though I was with the girl still.
Because probably if you go tell her, say, you're not still there, the girl would that probably say, you know, so I don't want to get involved in it and go tell him nothing. So when you say no,
Yeah,
she just feel comfortable. I tell you the something of them what did I go on, don't it?
Yeah, exactly. So no, Raga, me made my plan. I say, yo, I'm going to done with the girl. So
yeah.
What happened now, what I did now, you can laugh at me though because no people say me a fool for do this now. So
yeah.
Me say, all right. Me know so her birthday was coming up.
Yeah.
And my plan for it good. My plan for it real good. So go to the mall. Me go buy her stilettos and big old teddy bear and beer clothes.
What you say you buy her? What you buy her? Stilettos?
Stiletto.
Oh, so you buy her stiletto
Clothes,
heels and
big
thing,
old-
the pointed heels, them and thing.
Yeah, they put in there.
I want big old teddy bear, one
me-
big giant teddy bear you buy for her, don't?
Yeah, because me tell her, say, yo, anything she want at the mall, she can have it.
Yeah.
Me tell her anything she want, she can get it.
Yeah, let's take what you want.
Me spend the money.
Yeah.
But what I didn't know was, I didn't know at that time there, when I buy the stuff, she cut off the brother completely because Tom is a good guy to her. She was going to cut him off and deal with me faithfully. But it was already too late.
Okay, so what else you buy for her? You buy the big teddy bear and the stiletto heels and thing. What else you did buy for her?
Beer clothes.
Woolly pack clothes. Woolly pack clothes you buy for her and thing. All right, and then what happened after that?
So then we leave the mall and we take her back to our crib now, right?
Yeah.
And she take everything out of the car. She happy, she smile.
Nice.
And then she bring it to the stairs. She come back downstairs now for give me one kiss. And I say, oh, me no want no kiss. She said, this is the last thing you ever get from me because I know about you and the brother. And when I tell her that her face drop down.
But well, this is after you see her in the room with the brother? Yeah, because you said this about...
This happened maybe 3 months after.
3 months after. So after you see her in the room with the brother and thing and whatever, and what she claims to her friend, and him there without him shirt on, and she did in the bed asleep and whatever, you and her did still a deal. And then 1 month after her friend thinks that you and her left and go tell her, say, no, she been a deal with her brother who she claims are just her friend. She and him they right you and things. So you and her did still a deal them time there. So you and her did all a sort out them time there still, obviously, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So then after you buy her all these things, you know, you don't tell her, say, well, it's your birthday, you know, so this is the last thing them I buy for you and thing. And that you tell her?
Yeah, me tell her, say me know what was going on between her and the guy, and her face dropped like she didn't know what to say. And me drive off and left her there.
And that was it?
That was it. And here we go now. After me done drive and left her there,
yeah.
I didn't see her probably maybe 2 months later. with a party with my friend them, and she walked in at the club with the guy.
See it there?
And then, here was funny, Raga. When she walked in at the club with the guy now, she go by my friends them, and go tell my friends and say, oh, me not talk to her, me not say nothing to her, me just left her, so. And my friend them didn't even know what I got. Them asked me what I got, and I said, nah, man, I say, yo, we're done with that girl. I mean, even want to make everybody know my business.
Yeah. You know what I mean? Them know the 100 that way you go through with her, yeah.
Yeah. So then, me not pay her no mind. So then, me go start dancing with one girl, and she go tell my virgin and I say, if me not stop dancing with that girl, she go rough me up and drape me up in the club.
Well, you are dancing with that girl and she go to you one of your virgin and say, if you not stop dancing with the girl, she go rough you up and drape you up in the club.
Yeah.
And then what?
And you know what happened? She not rush me, she rushed the girl me I dance with.
And then what? She rush her for fight, huh? She rush her for fight, huh?
Yeah. So me have to put her and the girl apart. And then people that know her try to get involved and say, yo, ain't that your girl? And I say, no. So now my friends and her friends are fight in at the club.
Your friend and your friend are fight in at the club?
Yeah.
John no. But I just say it done with you and her, don't. Come go to some other caller now. But I just say it done with you and her, don't.
Yeah, it did done. But guess what, brother? It come like when me left for that day. It come like she kind of mad woman because after the fight, she come in my house the next year and she have the brother drive her to my house.
All right, here I go. I'm going to take some other car, but here I go. She is one of them woman that she run her thing. And she
Brother,
she have
the brother drive.
No, hold on, man.
Drive to my house.
She have the brother.
I get back to me and stab me with an ice pick for me till I know.
All right, hold on. So she obviously started with the brother, you know, but she have the brother drive her back to your house and for she try to get back with you. Let me tell you something. You have some woman like that.
Yeah.
And them run them thing, right? And them choose who them want there with. And if them want there with 2 or 3 or 4 man, boom. And them lion generally 4 man them. And when them get catch, them will generally 4. But them pick men. I mean, I want you feel now, you know, because I'm going to tell you what go on right just now. You see, woman like them there, them pick man who them, in a for them mind, them can run them man the head because those men are so nice and kind that them know, say, them can. You see, the fact that she there at the club with you, walk in with the same, not with you, but walk in with the same man and see you and the next woman there after you and her obviously left. And I go say, yo, and I'm not stop down to that girl. I go over there, go drape him or whatever. A bad girl is something. In a fear of mine, I can do that with him. Because me know how him steer. Come on, keep it real with you. If it's that next man, whatever, she knows she can't try that with a man there because, Ray. But it's true, you're nice. Right? Someone want all man listen and learn from that something here. And just know who not talk to. Because enough of we were out there with us assume, say, a man are the most terrible thing and whatever when it come to them something there. You have women who are bully too. You have women who pick men who them can manage and thing and nice, kind, soft man who them can run them head and bat them up. And if them dare talk to a woman, them go bat up and say, hey, look at that girl there. And if the man go say, but you have another man. Oh, me not have no man. I say, stop chat to that girl. You have them woman there. You understand. But you know, man. But I'm glad say you grow out of the thing and you learn the thing and balance up your thing and whatever. But she shouldn't get the teddy bear and the stiletto them. She shouldn't get the teddy bear. But anyway, I'm going to leave that alone. Big up yourself here. All right, big up yourself. Yeah, man, next call. Send her, Tekki back Mixup. Rinse. Send her present. Work me at work tonight. And thing. Yeah, Wagwan. Hello.
Good night, Raga.
Lord, Mr. Never Wrong. Wagwan, what you say?
What I say? Listen.
Yes.
Don't you want to tell you over the year? I want to tell you. Anyway, me cut the shot to you tonight.
Yes.
The guy.
Yeah.
When he go see the guy with the woman, he shall leave the woman right there.
Right, that's
he make mistake too. He shall leave it right there.
From him going there, go see the man answer the door. And the man have on a shirt. And the woman in a bed asleep. And the 2 sneakers them there beside the bed. And the know say the man in the bed. And she claims that the man was just her friend. And it's 3 years later. And him see her in the room with him. And he said, let her go from this. So don't.
Yes, inshallah. But number one, whether you want to sleep in going to go sleep in that bed, yes or no. When he go there and he not the one the man come down. He shall walk and left right. So leave nothing to do him no more.
No more arguments. This
because it's like when he do it now, it's like a bind by the woman, and he see the man come. Anyway, back to the first question. The men and the woman are good at it. Some men are hear that because if the woman, the woman they say, my friend, and the woman they see him.
Yeah.
Suppose the woman went by one house and give him. He would have made this said woman mash up in that house and lose the house.
What you mean?
If
the woman did buy one house, what you mean? You thought the first
if the
Mixup.
woman did buy one house and give him. The first battle, if the woman went buy one house and give him, would have made the other man mash up in that house.
Which Mixup you talking about? Which one you talking about?
The one where you say the woman.
Yeah.
With him friend. The woman when by the pay when they pay the mortgage. The woman I see him fault. Because if the turning the other way, if the woman went buy a house and give him.
Yeah.
If the woman went buy a house and give him.
Yeah.
Him with the other woman making lose the house woman give him. You understand where I come from?
No, say you lost me a little bit right there, so because
what I'm saying, you are some man.
Yeah.
Them first mash up them daily house.
Yeah.
Because there's no way a woman don't buy a house and give it. Me just word speaking, me say I'm like, there's no way me there with a woman and a woman they treat me good. And me make neither woman they come in between. No.
No, Mr. Never Wrong. I think what going is, it's a true, and you don't share with your situation, you know? So, your wife did buy a house and thing, and before she drop out, she make sure so you get the house and thing. So I think you kind of apply it to your situation, but it's not exactly an analogy, meaning it's not necessarily a similar situation. But nonetheless, I see the point that you're making, which is, again, if a woman treat you good, right? You don't want to do anything for jeopardize where that woman treat you good. Not
jeopardize it.
Okay,
no.
Okay. Well, that is
that's what I'm doing. Jeopardize because it's like you have a dolly to play in your house.
Yeah.
You don't make a next woman come walk in a masapi, or a next man walk and tell you say your wife do this and you don't sit yourself and you live there with him. Yeah. No, Ragashanti.
No, hold on. Yeah, you kind of force the Mixup to apply to your situation. But Mr. Never Wrong, real quickly though, what I just want to ask you though before I take our next car, because President said I have to take our next car. I want to ask you, if you buy up some things to your woman, right? And say the woman end up a bun you with your friend, right? So me and you are best friend, right? And you buy up a whole heap of things for your woman. And your woman comes and say, Raga, I run the thing for you, And she go give me the thing and whatever, and I'll give me some headers. You know what headers is? Don't take Mr. Never Wrong. You know what headers is, right?
No. Me don't know him, sir, no.
No, you don't know what is headers? All right, no worry about it.
No.
But say the woman come run the juju upon me and thing or whatever, and your woman and all these things. And then you find out, say she burn you, and come run the thing upon me and kiss me all over my body, bite me up, chew me up and all these things and whatever, and treat me like a bubble gum. You understand? What me I say, and after you find out that, what you would do? You would take back the things that where you buy from, where you did buy for you?
No, let me tell you clear now.
Yeah.
Whatever me buy for your woman,
yeah.
Whatever by gear woman, we don't want it back.
You know,
even the keep man.
Yes, Mr. Never. Yeah.
Whether even they keep man with me, say no. Whatever by give the woman,
yes.
Me don't want it back.
You don't want it back.
That's low life.
Yes.
That's low life. That.
Yes. Yes.
That's low life for living. Whatever you buy your woman, whether you catch him with a man, you catch him with whatever you catch him with, leave him with it.
But tell me something, hold on. What if what you buy for her is a house and a car, and you did and you pay the down payment on the house, you pay all the 20% because you don't even want to even pay less than 20% for your insurance, the payment them after that. So you pay 20%. So you buy her $1 million house, and you pay $200,000 on the house, and you pay the mortgage, and you buy her $100,000 car, and you pay the car note and all them things there, and you find that she burn you with Prezi. Right, she burn you with Prezi and think you don't stop paying the mortgage and stop paying for the car, or you don't go and pay.
No. Let me that's two questions now. Me that can pay for the mortgage, but me no want the house again.
Yeah.
Because one door closed,
Yeah.
neither one open. Once you buy a woman things,
Yeah.
do not go back go take away from it.
No.
No matter who you catch him with.
Okay.
All you do leave him alone. That's it.
Leave her alone. So leave her alone.
Yeah,
Say-
leave him alone. No matter who you buy
No.
gift
So
to
leave
him.
her alone. Leave her alone. Leave her alone. Say-
Leave she alone.
Yeah, leave
That's
she
it.
alone.
No matter where you buy gift to her,
Yeah.
leave she alone.
Leave
one door closed,
Yeah.
neither one open for you.
Yeah.
As long as life you have a birthday sure.
Yeah.
Leave him alone.
Leave her
That
alone.
is-
Leave
that-
her
that's
alone.
a
Leave
little-
her alone. Leave her alone.
Leave her alone, no matter.
yeah.
Because if you buy the house and you leave him there, there's one next day, there's life we make you can go on the next one.
Yes.
There's life we get where we make you can go on the next one. Leave him alone.
Yeah. Leave her alone. Leave her alone. Leave her alone.
Yes, leave him alone.
Yeah, leave
Because
her
the
alone.
woman
Leave
can
her
do the
alone.
same-
Yeah, leave her alone.
Yeah, leave she alone.
Leave she
because
alone.
the woman can do the same thing with the man too.
Yes.
The woman can do the same thing with the man too.
Indeed.
Him and him can get along, and yes,
Yeah.
he can work like that, Raga.
Yes.
Me talk of experience from me know.
Yes.
Not from me no know.
Yes.
That's how me is.
Yes.
Me no care who one bash me.
Yes.
Me no care who one this.
Yes.
Leave him alone. Whatever you buy
Leave
for
her
him,
alone. Leave her alone.
Leave
Whatever you buy
her
for
alone
her.
with it.
Yeah, leave her alone. All
Yes,
right.
leave him alone.
Leave
Don't-
her
don't-
alone.
Don't make no headache.
Yes. All
Yeah,
right.
exactly.
All right.
Simple.
Yes, Mr. Never.
Because the gate will open for you. The gate will open for you right there. As him leave you, no one the right there wait for you to take. We grab you up.
All right,
And
Mr.
grab you.
Never.
Good. Better one where you have.
Yeah.
Better one the right there we grab you up. Good. Better one the one we have.
Yeah. Okay,
Take it to
Mr.
me, tell you so.
Yes, Mr. Never. And we have to take. We have to let go here now. We are big up yourself here.
Bye bye.
Yes, man. Into Maya. Into Maya. Come into Maya. Lord. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Where's the president? What the thing right now? President, I run the thing. Next call, president. Send on. Hello. Hello.
Okay.
Yeah, talk up. Keep up your energy. Talk up. No, you sound like them Obia you and the Obia Tech. Talk up. Energy we want.
Go on.
Talk up no man and move from where the radio, because right here the radio in our background. Yeah. Carla, talk up no man.
Yeah.
Carla, we still hear the thing in our background, you know. Prezi, we still hear the thing in our background. Prezi. Yeah. I want him to the caller, Prezi. I want the caller the cut off. All right, I could deal with that. It look like the caller the cut off. Next call. Next call. Hello, yeah.
Raga.
Yeah.
Raga.
Yeah.
You might look at 2 cents there. I want to see if you can see if you can have a if you can show respect to it.
Rinse.
All right. If me have a girl, and she become pregnant.
Yeah.
And she look for me and say, yo, may I breathe, you know?
Yeah.
But is a possibility me make a one move. You know so me not let her go. And me I deal with her same way like say my youth.
Oh.
Until the youth born. Well, I know.
Yeah.
So when the youth born now, I'm find out out of my youth. Still will get her thing and deal with her good same way. Here how me draw the line, you know, brother. You see if she breathe for me.
Yeah.
And say my youth.
Uh-huh.
And me I give her everything.
Yeah.
And me find out she have to give me everything back to me give her. You the principle.
Well, so you should tell us that she'll breed for you, and you give her everything, and then when you pick the band, you find out channel, you're picking, you say she have to give back everything what you did at give her.
Everything.
Okay.
Everything.
Okay.
You're the principle.
Yeah.
You're the principle to it, brother.
Yeah.
You see, one thing tell me, as I said before, you tell me say make a one move, or you make a 2 move, or you say it's a possibility.
Yeah.
Me I deal with her. Same way because of the honesty. Me I deal with her good same way.
No,
I'll give her more.
No, you know, so I agree with it, sir, you know. I agree with it, sir.
Yeah, man.
No, man, if a woman come to me and say,
man.
you know what, sir, I feel say a human breed for about, but I go around the thing, you know. Me do a thing, you know, I know some violate, you know, but me do a thing, you know, 1 or 2 times, you know, so there's a slight chance I know you're a youth and thing. You see, if I'm a woman upfront with me with that, I know say, me still did go there, so I could have me I give her everything. And you see, if it end up on me not take back anything. And even if some me and her done or whatever, but you know, apart from that, me and her did good anyway. If me can still help her out, me help her. I know some of man gonna say me a clown for that and whatever, but you see, because she straight up with me, right? And she give it a respect and say, you know, say, boom, bang, bang, bang. And you don't know, so pick the coming of the thing, you know, look at pressures and all them, something that they and whatever. But it's not the pick the fault, you understand what I'm saying? So, me see what, go on talk. All
right. So, give a look at mix up on that real quick. I mean, no say time around.
Yeah.
My brethren have 2 youths and a woman a yard.
Yeah.
Come out foreign.
Yeah.
And go so boom. And say, all right, he want to deal with the youth them.
Yeah.
Because he get you in papers or whatever.
See.
You used to take care of 2 youth, you know.
Yeah.
Go down a yard and she share him some papers with child support. And about 2 years, he might pay the child support or whatever, blah, blah, blah. Go back down there and them say that's some retroactive money and blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
So he come back up. But me kind of hear a little thing in the grapevine, say the boy in a film.
Yeah.
So me look at him and say, Virgin, you know, say if you do a deed, though.
A DNA, right.
I must say, yeah, man, I do it. Yeah, I say, yeah, man, I do it.
Yeah.
Because a woman do it.
Yeah.
You know, it's a couple grand, well, she take off him and the boy in a film, but the girl a film. And the girl end up don't talk to him father because instead she don't talk to the mother, you know. She want to cut off her father because she not believe the DNA.
She want the woman who the baby mother what you say about her?
The man find out the son and a film.
Right.
But the daughter a film, the daughter a bigger one.
Right.
When the daughter get the DNA result now,
yeah.
She come like she want vex with her father.
Why?
To do a DNA. And the DNA assure her say, and your father son this. So my brother, they kind of cut her off alcohol, but a whole lot of money end up here. Me tell him, say, you know, me say that I me, she has to give back all her money, you know. Me tell him, say, I'm coming to your business. But it was me, because me know, she know, say, I never my brother youth.
Right.
She know that. Because a lot of people that they hear that tell him long time, you know, but true, I'm a road man in the you know what? I go on with that whatever, but a wicked, she gets wicked now, and want more time of care money, you know.
Yeah.
All them fees and a female, yeah. Care money, you know. And when she comes a woman, say, you know what, I step up on the food now, you know, because you're there foreign or whatever. Somebody will say, okay, all right, you step up on the food. I run the DNA.
I run the DNA because she want more money. And more money she want now. I tell my son and the money.
If she didn't love it and go on, yes. If she didn't love it and go on eat, maybe one.
In general, they probably work with it. But yeah, man, one time.
No, let it alone, man.
One time lose all and thing. Greedy dog lose a bone. But here we go on, you know. I have to go take a break, but listen to me now. You know, say me a while ago say, boy, yeah, and even if she have a pitney, I know my pitney would still send on something to her, even if she want her help.
Yeah, man.
No, but listen now.
Yes,
there's a caveat there that is very important in terms of the law. I'm want all man listen to me. Some of you know this already. You see, if a woman a breed, say she a breed for you, and you are support the pitney, you see, after the picnic born, do the DNA quick. Don't make them delay. Do the DNA quick. Like as a picnic born, do the DNA. Come and explain to you why. 2, you see, even if you do the DNA and you find out say it's not your picnic, even if you're a nice man and want to help you, going to help her. Try and have some legalese, some sort of document for say you are helping her as a friend. You're not supporting the child. Because if the matter go to court and you that is still a helper, even though you know it's not your youth, and she did tell you, say, are your youth, but you find out say it's not your youth, you know, after the picnic ban, you know. The way the courts them run, the court can still hold you liable for the rest of the picnic their life up till 18 or 21, depending on which state, and depending if depending if the picnic in a college. So it don't be too kind and nice because you may end up in a something where you turn idiot when the court has say So who go tell her if still a mind the pitney after she don't tell her say from she pregnant say you're a pitney or whatever. Win a business in a phone a passa. You did still a mind the pitney after the pitney born. You're going to have to mind the pitney till the pitney are 18. And if when the pitney are 18, the pitney is in a college or university, you have to mind the pitney until the pitney graduate from that college or university. So even though you hear me say that, on the door run go do it. And you hear what the brethren say a while ago. And thing with it. Well, anyway, I just want to know that part there. So just be quiet, you know. Just be very careful with that something there.
But New York State.
Yeah.
Bronx, Brandon, Brooklyn. Not designed for we as black fathers. It's not designed for us as black fathers.
Well, hold on. The court will, no, I forgot break. But the court will say, this is not about, I know, it worked against the man. Because one could credibly argue that I have argued that the way how this thing set up, there is absolutely no deterrent for a woman don't try to trick a man and lock him in, because if she can't trick him and lock him in long enough, the court can't force her for have him right there for the rest of 18 years, 21 years, right? So there is no legal deterrent for woman for nuggy man jacket this so forget them for mind them forever. You understand what I say? But what the court would say, I've got to take a break. But what the court would say is, we don't business in any passport. We never tell you for go grind her. We're not busy with that. Right now, we are looking out for the picnic. And the way the thing set up right now, the picnic can benefit from your continued support because you did go start it. So you're going to have to continue it. Right. We're not busy now on the passport.
You have to run.
Yeah, I have to run.
You have to run. So I'll tell you this before you run. Bronx court and Yonkers court, the fathers are different.
The what?
Bronx court and Yonkers court for child support and your kids is different.
All right.
Yonkers help you.
All right, make them, yeah.
That's show you.
All right, hold on, yeah, all right, then cool. Because I just want to issue a disclaimer also. I know a little bit about this thing, but I'm not a lawyer. So if you don't want to know exactly, I remember said the law is based on jurisdiction, and jurisdiction can be statewide,
yes.
It can be city, it can also be borough. Okay, in this case, New York City, you know, what holds over Queens, not necessarily all over Brooklyn, depending on what the matter is, what the issue is, what the claim is. So, if you find yourself in this position, please make sure someone get legal counsel. Don't listen to Raga. Raga is a mix-up entertainment person, okay? Don't follow what Raga say. Go and get legal advice. All right, big up yourself. People, present, say we have a break. We're soon forward. Why yo?
This is IrieJam.
What? Over? Did you say over? Nothing is over till we decide it is. And it ain't over now.
We're gonna stay here forever. You got it? Ooh, yeah. Forever.
Got to make a stop at my favorite spot. Back to the original dumpling
shop.
People like to grab them when they're fresh and hot. Everybody do a say me love it with spread.
Hey.
At the original dumpling shop, our handmade dumplings.
Well, I'm present, pull up my hand. Present, pull up my hand. Pull up my hand. Pull up my hand.
Make a stop at my favorite spot. Back to the original dumpling shop.
John.
People like to grab them when they're fresh and hot. Everybody do a say me love it with spread. At the original dumpling shop, our handmade dumplings, great like that. Lots of fried fish is only on top. Vinegar and pepper and enough carrot. Try the ackee and saltfish, the ham and the porridge, the steamed fish.
Dumpling shop, because the dumpling shop, but I want to pull up. Present, pull your brothers again.
Got to make a stop at my favorite spot. Back to the original dumpling shop. People like to grab them when they're fresh and hot. Everybody do a say me love it with spread. At the original dumpling shop, our handmade dumplings, great like that. Lots of fried fish is only on top. With vinegar and pepper and enough carrot. Try the ackee and saltfish, the ham and the porridge, the steamed fish, the curry goat. So much food to talk about. Dumpling shop, it's a dumpling shop. We are the original.
Never copycat.
Everybody say we are the cream of the crop. We're in the Bronx, right next to the 5 train stop. 3435 Baychester Avenue in the Bronx. 718-653-7777.
Well, on the president, stop. The president, stop. What them say? In the Bronx, right next to the 5 train stop. What that them say? Mad, you know what I mean? Forgot. Me say me love the ad sweet like our. The ad sweet like our. Me love the ad, man. Anyway, go and run the ad them. Go and run the ad.
This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
Mad thing, back up in the jog line. I always say, Tekki back Mixup. Tekki back Mixup, one thing. Just want to remind you the number from Jamaica. That number is 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. Mixup on overdrive. In the meantime, to the phone lines we go. Good night. Greetings. Wagwan. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Wagwan Raka.
Yeah, man, Wagwan.
Yeah. Me can call your girl this.
You can't call me what?
If me can call your girl this, can you come like a teacher?
So me come in like a teacher, don't?
Yeah, because I always tell this to you.
Well, I am a teacher.
No, but when you talk, you can explain things to people.
Okay, blessings. Well, is this my brethren from Montego Bay?
No.
Oh, okay.
I want youth from Spanish Town.
From Spanish Town. Oh, where you say, Papa?
Yeah. When me call to talk to you, boy, although me not really want to say them something, but that's why me say me go call in, because me not really share the argument with people.
Okay. All right, proceed.
You know, say, me did talk to one girl at Spanish, come from Bagwak school.
Yeah.
But our friend did with me, because our friend like out me deal with the program. Me did a start out. So our friend did want to get in. So one day, one youth, I told about my brother. So told my brother no say sometimes me do things. My brother called me. Contact to the youth team.
Right.
And me go to the youth bad also. And me make him know the level. Say if in trouble my brother again, one go on.
Yeah.
Me man never friend like that. But me never know say the girl when me talk to I deal with him. But to me the kind I feel because me could dance.
Yeah.
Me can dance good.
Yeah.
So me not a deal.
Yeah.
She live with her mother, but she have her own room.
Yeah.
She have her own room, and her mother like me. So me go over there and me fit in, collect me fit in at the family.
Right.
So her mother get to know about me, and so me not deal, but me never know say she deal with the youth. And
hold on. So you never know say she deal with the youth who did rush your brother.
Yeah.
Who did rush your brother, right?
The youth.
Yeah. Go on. Yeah.
So the girl when she a friend, but she did like how me I deal with her.
Yeah.
She tell me say, you know that something go on, so but you me know what woman so me not pay that no mind.
Right.
Cause me I say maybe I told the girl want to start out for me, make her tell me so.
I tell you, okay.
And me I ignore it.
Yeah.
Me I ignore it. So the girl is a plain girl like this. I know it a bother me still, but me I go get to it. And you know say the girl ask me which color me like. Me tell her say blue, purple, and red. She go a town and she has something for herself, and she buy one red shirt we me never know about. And when she come, she say, you know, say me have something for you. And when she take it out and give me me I tell you, the shirt look turned up. The shirt look turned up. I made it like it. So after me and her deal also, me say, you know, say me I go start spend on the beer, and me start deal with certain things, and to the type of shoes that when me wear, she always like them, cause I be a neighbor and me wear. So she asked me for one of the shoes them. Me tell her say me not give her, but me not give her one of the one where me have, but me we buy her one. You know say me buy the girl the shoes. One some grand market I keep her instead.
Yeah.
And she tell me for in the morning say she'll go up a Linstead, up a Commodore, our family, and me never know, say, are you she'll go link. So,
hold on. So this are your woman or this are the other one?
No, the one where me I start out.
The one where you start out. The one where you start out,
Yeah.
and she did buy you the shirt and them some of that?
Yeah.
Okay, so she tell us she'll go up her mother and thing and whatever, but you never know up at the youth. All right, go on talk.
She never tell me say her mother. She said she'll go up her family, them aren't up her Linstead.
Okay.
Aren't ill up her Linstead.
Yeah.
And me there grand market.
Yeah.
Me see somebody like her. But me I say, other person there, me not call the girl name. Me I say, other person they favor her so.
Right.
And me joke back in a one call a juicy beef car something.
Okay.
Something that's on the over there. From Central Village, and me do back. And when me look good, me see she, but me see her apart with that youth. Me I say.
So hold on. So this is so your woman tell us she'll go up her family, but when you down a grand market and thing, boom, you see somebody will look like her and thing. So you juke back in a juicy beef and a pre, and when you look, you see your woman with the same boy, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And when me look good, me see say the youth when me they go one bomb my brother and tell him say if he see my brother nothing go wrong again. Next time me now come out in there no talking with him a straight action.
Yeah.
So when me look good, me a put him foot. When me look at the shows me see a fan.
Well, so, the shoes where you buy for her, the same shoes where you buy for her, that you see say him have on?
Yeah.
The shoes where you buy for your woman, the name brand shoes where you buy for your woman, the brand new name brand shoes you buy. You see say the youth, where they rush your brother, who you want him and say, yo, love my brother, you know. Because the next time, you trouble my brother, the next time I come and say, what man, I'm not a long talking, you know. A straight action me I move with. Love my brother. Boom. Your woman I deal with a youth there. And not only she I deal with a youth there. The shoes where she make you buy, she take that shoes and go give it to man, and you see him and sport it with her. That time she said she's supposed to up her family. And thing, go and talk,
But me never know, say, because she never tell me nothing about, or say, she deal with somebody. Because me is a person when looking at things. You see, for me love somebody, if they might deal with somebody, me now go mash up my relationship over that. So me say... All
right, real quickly, we don't want to lose you, you know. Me just want to know, first of all, in 3 minutes, we're going to take a break for 3 minutes. But once we come off, don't leave the line because I want them take your number and call you back so we don't lose you, right? You call from Jamaica, you call from obviously, but you call from credit? You call from credit?
No, me I call for service.
For service, okay, so you can stay up on the phone if anything, right?
Yeah.
All right, that's a one. And before you continue, just real quickly, we're listening to you, and we hear, you know, there appears to be, you know, some struggles in your language, in your rhetoric, in your speech, and so forth. And is it that something that we're going to come back to what you're saying? You know, we just want some clarification. Is that something that happened to you that resulted in you speaking the way you are right now?
Yeah, me get stroke.
You get stroke. Okay, all right then. All right then, cool. So we're going, all right, so continue now, but in 2 minutes or so, or in a minute and a half, we're going to break, but you just stay on the line. I just want you to know from now, okay? Because we're going to come back to you. All right, go on, talk.
Quickly, me break it down.
Yeah.
So, me decide say, me not call to her nothing.
Yeah.
So, the night run off. The next day, me down me yard, me see she come.
Yeah.
So, to it bother me. Me ask her about it. Say, you know, say me see you last night and you not see me.
Yeah.
So that you the way did a pirate out here and she deny it. So me say, I know nobody tell me. I me see myself.
Mm-hmm.
She said to me say, I'm more than the truth me they buy her too. But I me tell you, it a burn me. It a burn me conscience now, cause me should not do it.
Hold on. Pull the phone a little bit away from your mouth. Pull it, okay? So what you say? Why burn you?
Because me did take back something for now. But me go get to that point there. After that, me start get ignorant. And me say, if something like that did go on, you should have tell me. And me start get ignorant for now. So she said to me, say, me must give up the shot. So me said to her, say, if I say it go, you have to go give me back everything when me buy you.
All right, hold on. All right, stay on the line because we're going to come back to you, right? Just remember where you ended, right? You argue because you see her with the boy, and two not arguing, she said, give me back a red shirt to me buy for you. And you say, well, if I saw it, I go, give me back what me buy for you too, and thing. Stay up on the line, all right? Stay up on the line, and when we come back, we want you continue from right there. So take it back, mix up with the pan people. Are there justified situations you take back something from somebody? Well, I break 3 minutes, we soon forward.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Back in the juggling, people. And we have a call. We still have the call online, right? But I just want to, in case people don't know, the caller give you a situation that, you know, him did a date somebody and thing. And, you know, while dating this person, him brother did have one little conflict with our next youth, and him brother call him and say, yo, come check out that something here for me and defend me and so. When him go over there, him talk to the youth and tell the youth, say, yo, more hello my brother, you know. You understand? And the next time, and you trouble my brother again, the next time I go come page you. And thing and action me a coming, man, and a long talking, leave my brother alone. And thing. Only for find out say him woman who him there with, one of her friend pinch him and make him know say she in a dealing with a youth there, the same youth who him page about him brother. And then him woman now, you know, just by way of you know, synopsis and thing, one day him woman tell him say, boy, she go up her family and sitting and thing, and then him did down a Grand Market, and then when him there Grand Market, him woman supposed to do up her family, but as she that him say in the crowd, and when him see her in the crowd, she a par with a man, and lo and behold, the man that she a par with are the same youth who him did page about him brother, and before that, him woman did buy him a nice shirt, a red shirt and thing, and him like the shirt, and him saying, I'm be a nice things him wear, and him woman see him with a certain shoes, and she didn't want the shoes and whatever, and him say, no, I'm going to buy a new one, and him buy her a new version of the shoes where him did have and whatever, and when him see her with the man, at Grand Market at the time, when she tell him she's supposed to up her family, she and the man apart, not only she there at Grand Market with the man, but the man wear the shoes, where him did buy gear. So the next day, I talk to her about it and say, yo, I see her, you know, and she deny it and whatever. And I say, yo, Bill, man. And then nobody tell me, I me see you with my two eye them. And whatever. And him says that argument ends you. She end up and say, give me back my shirt. right? And the caller seemed to imply say is she first asked back for something. Remember, we're up on Tekki back mix up tonight. So is she first say she had take back something from him, which is the red shirt. So we reach a point now where him in turn respond by saying, well, since you are gonna take back the red shirt, give me back everything when me take from when me did give you too. Since you are gonna take it back, me I take it back too. So that's how we're there. All right, caller, you there?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, proceed. Go and tell with the rest right now.
Yeah. So after that, she still a debate pan. Give me back the shirt.
Yeah.
So to inner is never say, me I tell you the truth. Me never want to give her back. But to inner is never say, me just take it out and throw it give her. So when me give her, so me say, they call you take back that. Give me back everything when me buy you. And her mother come out and her mother said to her, say, look how the youth are deal with you good and look what you do. She said, she turned to her mother and said to her mother, say, Mommy, come out of this. I'm and him talk. And he don't write that so, because me not busy about nothing. So me say, all right, since you not busy about nothing, go back to everything when me buy you. So, me did buy her some near brand blouse. Me did buy her some boneless brassiere. Me did buy her some update some panty wear like G-string pan the river and so. So she go back for them in a one bag and I told them give me. So when she give me them, me say, what to the shoes too. So
hold on. So you say, give me back when me did go. So she go for some blouse where you did buy for her, some panty, some G-string and some Pandy River panty and all them something there, some blouse and all them. So she go back for everything and thing and I bring back and thing and she throw them gear now. So you said to her, say, all right, so you throw back everything, so what to the shoes too? Done.
No, me no take them up to throw them in front of me and say, see them there. So me say, to the shoes too. So she say, me will get back the shoes in a due time. So me say, me nah take up nothing. Me nah take up nothing until me get back everything. So me walk with, left everything in there. So when me walk with, she take out the bag and me never know say she bone them. But me see smoke I come from over the yard. So me go back over there. When me go there, me see I throw them in the fire. So me say to her say, all right, since you try to spite me, I go spite one other way. So our friend, we did let me off, told me I deal with that. Me start draw back on she. So when me start draw back on she, me get through, and me and her start salt out of everything. So me turn up the thing for her. Me start buy her be a near brand blouse.
Well, so this is the friend now. So you and the friend start sort out now and thing, and you start mind the friend and I buy her some hype things now, some name brand this and that, right?
Yeah. So she come back to me. And say, "Car, my right name Anthony, but my dancer name Raging Bull." So she say, Anthony, it just a look of misunderstanding going on. Now you can work out things. Me say to her, say, you know, say, me and you can't work out nothing because me and your friend, me not call her friend name. Me say, me and your friend are bull now. So,
you tell her, say, you and her friend are bull now, don't
you? Yeah. So, after that, she start see me and her friend. She start push up at me somewhere. So me start ease her off. So our friend look for me and say, so I want me share enough up in you so she no say you chop her. Me say so she say. She say, you not have to tell me that that's a woman there. You see worse, then see where she see. You turn me up and you give me some dear things which she never used to get because I train and then let me start make the girl wear. But the girl there go to school too. But you see when school over, she take off her uniform and put on normal clothes. So she always look hot and sassy. So
the girl always, the new girl now, our friend who you there with her now, she always look hot and sassy.
Yeah.
Okay, go on talk. Yeah.
So our friend, she I try pull back. So as she pull back, me ease her off. So one day, me out of bag walk. One Monday, then call him Soapy. The girl come to me and the girl say, Anthony, buy me a soup, no? And me say, what kind of soup you want? And she say, she want one of the look, then turn the soup of $80.
Yeah.
She say, she want one of them cup there. So me say to her, say, you know, say, to her, me rate you, I love you. Me not buy you no soup for $80. Me buy you the $180 one. That are the medium size one.
Hold on. Who you talk about now? Are the girl who you did used to there with you talk about? Or the one who you there with now?
The one who me there with. The one who me there with no.
This are the friend one, all right? Or you're there with the friend now and I turn up the friend down, right? She asking for the soup, all right, go on, ta.
Yeah. So after me lean for the light post and one chair there where the girl sit down in and I drink the soup because I red pea soup with coconut.
Red pea soup with coconut, yeah.
Yeah, and it's thick and nice.
Thick
so
and nice.
I drink it. So she, the enough one when me used to deal with, she come there and said to me, say, you can't buy me a soup too. Me say, why me free buy your soup? One for yourself. You know, say me and your friend not reason. Nobody can interrupt you. She said to me, say,
Bye. Yeah, go on, ta. So wait, so the woman now who was your new woman who was your ex-woman friend and thing, you and your new woman sit down there and she drink the medium soup, the $180 red pea soup with coconut or whatever, and your ex now who was fear friend come up and say, you can't buy me a soap too and whatever and thing, and you tell her, say, why me for buy your soap? You know, say me and your friend a reason. I want to tell you where you come and interrupt her for. Go from your son, man. What? And then what?
But Raga, before me going at that, me go ask a question. Why? Because you can't explain this to me.
Yeah.
Why when a girl and another girl are friends and you start dealing with her, she drop her company?
Why?
She no want friend with her no more.
Why when a girl and another girl are friends and you start deal with her, she drop her company?
Yeah.
I mean, you need to be a little bit specific there. Like if you deal with a girl and that girl have a friend, the friend drop that girl who you deal with?
No. When me basically I say the girl when me did there with first, she and the new girl when me start out now, she and I did friend.
Right.
But after me start dealing with the new one now, she and I broke up. The new one when me attack to broke up the friendship with her.
Well, we soon get to that. But before, and I'm going to answer that because I remember initially when you started, you said that you value my capacity to explain certain things. But before we get to that, just in the interest of having doing this for a while and knowing what listeners want to know, could you just share with us like what happened after you tell her, say, go from here, say, man, you know, say, me and your friend a deal and whatever and thing, and I see me buy soup, and I buy you no soup. What happened after that?
So Bagwap is a visitor. She turned to me and turned up her voice that me say she attack extra loud. She turned to me and say, I saw man like Uno Tan. Man like Uno no like, no like. Deal with girl on that level. No bad man, no COVID thought, and so same time, me start talk low too. So me say, what you mean by bad man and COVID thought? When I did your time, you usually get everything, and you this me with a youth where me and him no deal, where the war my brother. And now, me and your friend a deal, look on the scandal where you come bring down for me. So, same time, our friend turned to me and say, Anthony, talk to the girl now, go now away. So, same time, me said to our friend, say, you know, me not tell her that I'm me and you a deal. And you fit tell her, because if you tell her, she can't move to you, because you know me and what type of person. So same time, the one with me I deal with, where she don't on the chair and drink the soup, she turn and start laugh, and a crate, you know, girl laugh. She laugh and a broad out, and so, and she go on extra, and she say, whoa, and then something there. And then she turned to her and say, your time up. So same time, me I walk off, me just feel something waiting on my back. You know, say, the girl buy one of the pineapple soda them, the one that will have been acid, ashes, and throw up on me, and me feel me shirt wet. So when me look back, me see her. So same time me say, you know, say, so me no liquor man, you know, say me I go walk her out. And
hold on. So she buy a soda. Is a glass buckle soda she buy?
No, one of the
bigger plastic soda them, right? The plastic buckle soda them. Yeah. So she buy and a cold soda that, right?
Yeah.
And she throw that pan and you feel like wet you up, right?
Yeah.
And you
and
say
our friend said to me, say, box down the girl no Anthony, and me said to our friend, say, you know what? Come on me yard, cause me I want to go straight up. Me nah practice to put me on for woman. And all me and the girl I walk, she walk, call me and I create her excitement and so. I know me no look for that. Me just hug up the girl and walk go where me I go. And the girl hug me up in the wet up church there. And more go
hold on, so the friend where you there with now, where you and her sort out and a dog and do the something with them now. She tell you say for box her down and you say no. You know, so I not put my hand on woman and thing and I not gonna make she draw me out. Even though she lick you with the buckle and wet you put the soda and all them. So right in the middle of bag walk and all them something there. So you are well a certain other way you say, no, you know, so I not go whatever and thing. And you say enough for you know say you're a youth where, you know, you will do certain things and you roll certain way, you have certain resources to do certain things. But even though that is the case, you are say you know join us something if you put your hand on woman. So you say basically you know make she dry you out. And even though the friend, fear ex-friend who tell you say you forgot box her down, you balance up a thing like a man and say, nah man, when I put my hand on her, come, make me and you leave. And you said I want to hug you up on the two hug up and walk with, right?
Yes. And you know say the girl follow me come straight on me and I create excitement. But when me go in, me lock the gate and go straight in my house. And go straight in them house.
Hold on. So when you go straight in your house, the other friend, the friend that go in there with you too?
Yeah, the one where me assault out now.
Yeah.
She go in there with me.
Yeah.
Me no business, both the one we out do a course again. Cause me go in and let me
So hold on, me have to ask you this. Me know it's a little side. So when you go in with a friend, you know, and she out there cussing and going bad same, and you go in with a friend. You and the friend did put on a sort out in there when she out there cuss, talk it through.
You know, me be frank with the raga. You know, me not never start out, but me not did have a good time in there because you know, me not call the word on the program, but she did a CRP. So me never start out.
Oh, at that, hold on. So just to be clear, you and her been a start out, but at that particular moment, you and her never start out, but you need to laugh because you don't know it was fair time at the month, so nothing could have run anywhere at that time. Anyway, go on talk,
And kiss up and so.
And kiss up, someone in India kiss up and a feel up and thing while your ex out there I make up beer excitement and a cuss and all them something they don't.
That time, me no know if she can, cause me no know what take place outside again.
Yeah.
Cause me lock up me door and gone in.
Yeah.
Me no know what take place outside again. When me come out, she know dead. So me just go back in the house and lock up again. And me and the girl hook up. Then the time the days of our life is go on. Me and I sit down and hook up and me buy a popcorn.
No, hold on. Where you say them time the days of our lives they on TV, don't?
Yeah.
So you say so you and the friend just hug up and come and you buy our popcorn and wanna just relax and hug up and watch Days of Our Lives and eat on the popcorn, don't?
Yeah.
While a girl outside I kick up, and but you don't even know what going out there because you don't know, like you say, you don't know what did that take place out there. All you know, you and your new girl inside, you know, well cock up on the foot and thing and watch Days of Our Life and I eat popcorn. You're not busy with somebody out there, no?
Yeah. And the friend cock up her foot in my lap and eat popcorn and I watch it through.
Yeah.
So she said to me, Anthony, we're really going. So me I tell her about what. Me I tell her about it. So when me I tell her about it, she said, you didn't really take back the things them for now. She asked me. So me say, me never have the intention to take back the thing them for now, but to watch her go on and ask me back for the shirt. She put the whole of it in her bag and cut through my foot. But she knows the boy have the shoes. She can't give me back. So I walk out, left them, and she threw them in the fire. But she see me, I deal with her now, baby, and that's why she go on so. But no put up and practice. Me not say nothing about none more about her. And me and ya deal now. Me not put up on my mind.
Oh.
So that me I tell what one.
That's the thing, you know. And so now you did that. So the question you did ask me is, why is it that after you got there with our friend, the friend cut off she, the original woman who you did there with, you don't think that is obvious?
Yeah?
You don't think the reason why your friend cut her off is obvious?
No, you know, me really, I try pencil out what really they make that one, because I know me no fake it out.
All right, hold on. So, me I gonna give you my best take on it, but it appears to me that is something that is not this you or anything, but as I say, it appears to me that is something hold on, that is fairly obvious, you know. Remember, you know, you have a woman who violate against you and disrespect you and basically burn you with a youth. And the youth who shall burn you with happen to be a youth who did all rush your family, rush your brother and all these things, right? That woman have a friend But you know, you take care of your woman, you know, you spend on her, you deal with her proper, you know, you give her all of the nice thing. Now, listen now. The friend now see how you are deal with her, right? And you say it, you know. So the friend see how you are deal with her, and it look like the friend did want some of that and kind of move to you neatly now, right? Now, that friend may say to you, because my experience with this, I can tell you what them are going to say, what the friend, the logic what the friend are going to say. The commonest reasoning there for those type of situation is the friend say, she, for her friend at the time, have a good woman, a good man, right? And a disrespect her good man, and a bun her good man, and a take things from her good man and a give bun her man. So, for her friend now must say a prayer and say, yo, a wickedness that. Not only a wickedness that now, the friend now have a justification for say, she have good man and I know what to do with him, and other woman want good man. So she say, she gonna try to get you because she feels that she justified to take you from the friend. That's a fear side, you know. But you have other people now who are gonna look upon it and I say, yo, even if she disrespect and I treat you and I disrespect you certain way, the fact that she a friend, she should not move to you behind her back. And them something. You have people are gonna look on the side and I say, yo, the friend not good too. You understand? But anyway, since you know you never move to the friend, you know. After you find out all of the violation where your woman at the time are going with, at that time you go son up boom and draw for the friend. And after you draw for the friend, I remember say the friend did want you a long time. And so you and the friend start sort out. And you start spend on the friend and all these things and whatever. It makes sense now. So since you there with the friend, remember so the friend where you go end up there with, you know, your ex-woman friend, you know. For all intents and purposes, she not rate the friend that much with respect to you, you know. You is no more important to she than whatever friendship she did have. So that friendship now becomes expendable. That friendship is a low priority. That friendship is not as important as she getting you. So after she get you now, right, I make sure that she not deal with her again because whatever did go on between them, I'm going to keep it real with you, you know. The friend where you pick up, you know, she could have the bad mind too, you know. Or she could have the principle certain way. I don't know, but she could have the bad mind too, you know. I keep it real with you. But it makes sense now. If she take with her friend, man, what she going to stay a friend with her? She not going to keep maintain that friendship there. It's not even safe for she maintain that friendship there. You follow me?
All right. May I go say something to your teeth? May I go call your teacher? May I go say something to you?
Yeah.
Your answer, my question, well, fine. Me nafi. I think about it no more because me did want to find out what make that they go down between she and her friend. But you explain it to me right. But what me I go say to you say, our friend when me deal with that girl when me there, she have more decent way than the one when me used to deal with first when me buy these shoes. She have the friend when me I deal with have more decent way. So me no feel say in no way she did have a look of bad man also. But as where you say and where you cheat me tonight, sometimes some girl or some good man and this abuse it and no know and other girl might out there want the man there and then she say the other girl I deal with them check up and just say in her mind say you know say that man no fear get deal with so now go give a good start out a relaxing mind and taking mind after that because that's how the girl do me because when me go to the girl about this start out, me I tell you the sound out there when me get for now. It's a proper sound out.
Okay. All right then. And in the interest of time, because we have to go Lego and to the break. But a couple of things. But so how long ago this did happen? But just give it a rough time. But how long ago?
This happened about 8 years ago.
About 8 years ago. All right then. And just so that people understand what's going in terms of timeline and thing. How long ago you unfortunately experienced a stroke that resulted in your altered speech?
Me have this stroke. Me have this stroke long before that. But one thing, you see, my brother, me have other bigger brother. We have a store at Kingston. We sell all of the neighbor and something there. Shoes also, work clothes, everything. Fashion belt, the whole of them there. Belt with light and the whole of them there. So, me always look up to date. Me always advance some proper things because me have the source where them come from.
Okay, you have the source because you have a bigger brother we have one name brand store we say all of the hype something of them. Anything we are trend, anything we are run the place and thing, your brother store sell them things there, so you have the access to all of them something there, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
But a short thing me I say to you. Where me want to say when you did depend the other station, you know our no. Me could not get listen to you at that time because me is a mama's boy, but my mother intentionally a program and so me can't touch the radio and turn it from where me want to listen. Because when my mother I listen so, but since you start the previous radio station, me no miss out your program not at all.
What you mean? So hold on, since I'm on the bridge 99 FM, you're saying you don't miss my program?
No, okay. No miss no program. But when more say again, more big up at that spicy. And the girl will call her and tell us that she tell the man she care about the sort out. Me rate them 5.
So you love hot and spicy energy and vibes and thing and also the caller who says she give a man a good sort out and the man eat with the thing. So she say, give me back my good sort out and thing. But listen now, with respect to the topic where we're depend, you see, Tekki back mix up and thing. I think this thing where you explain to it, I think it is a legitimate case where people are going to understand how your response was. Oh, so you take back something from me where you did give me and you argue. Are you violate against me, right? Are you disrespect me? Me I talk to you about it and thing and end up in an argument. And you are going to take back the red shirt where you buy, come give me. What do you hear now? You see, since you want to take back what you give me back what me did give you to. I think any most reasonable people, even though some people are going to say, no, you still shouldn't take back. I think the majority are going to say, no, I totally understand. If she ever come at you, if she ever come for you them way there, and I talk about, give me back the shirt when I did buy you, then you have a right for say, then give me back when me did buy you too. A fool you take man for. If you ever take back, me I go take back too. All right? So this is an instance where your Tekki back, one would say, is justified. Give it away how she did come for you. All right, but we have to go take a break. But I just want to say big respect to the eye. And we're glad you all listen to the show and you enjoy the show. And we're glad you all listen to the Bridge 99 FM and you love the station and you love Ragashanti show and all them things there. Big up yourself, man. I would just want to say more strength and protection. And one last thing. I want to big up the principle where you have where you say, boy, I not say man fit make woman beat them and defend themselves. I not join that. I not care nobody want to say. But at the same time, you know, you have a policy where you say, me's not a man who put my hand on a woman and things. So she threw one buckle and the buckle hit me and wake me up and whatever. The thing not that serious, so I go even move to her. So you know, I'm going to walk her out and allow that. I just want to commend you for that. And I just want all of the man them out there and woman them out there just listen what the general say with respect to that element, because clearly we have a problem with that in Jamaica, right? And what you did, the way you dealt with it, is a good example, because sometimes we can be offended. We can be offended egregiously. We can be offended seriously. The disrespect can be very profound. But at the same time, we have to be careful so we don't give our right in a disproportionate response. We're going to get in some serious trouble. You see why I reach Jackie right there now? The man go perform somewhere, the promoter and pay him the money and whatever, boom, bang, bang, bang. And Jackie end up stab up him man and all him something, you know. So some people are going to say, but no man, some of them promoters are wicked and some of them thing and that and ray. But I'm going to keep it real. There are other ways that Jackie could have deal with this thing where would have him resulting now with 6 years in a prison in the Netherlands, over Holland, right? So we just want to commend you for how you did deal with that thing there. And I want to reinforce to the listeners that this is an example of sometimes some things reach you. And it may be that you lose a battle for win a bigger war by maintaining certain principle where you're not going, even though you're right, you're not going to respond in a way where you're going to end up in a serious trouble, where you're going to end up in a prison, end up in a jail, or you exact serious harm against somebody else. And then you're mired in this space where you're like, but me did right, I them first to so and so, me did right, I them first to, and losing the understanding that you did not have to respond the way you did. So again, I want to commend you for that. I want to congratulate you for that. And I want people to recognize that this is an example that people should follow. Sometimes it's okay for walk away from something. Even if people are going to say, yeah, you that the girl lick you with the buckle and you walk away. No pay them no mind, walk away. Because you are meant to think on a bigger level and say, you know what? I allow that look of foolishness here, you know, and keep it moving and thing and steer from that woman. So big up yourself here. All right?
Before you go, I want to say one thing to you. My mother is a lady, me a sister. So, me not, as what you say, me not take no disrespect for no woman. But me know when to act and when to do things, because me know want nobody hurt my sister and my mother and them woman too.
Yeah.
So me look on them and I get me I tell you, look up hot and spicy, and the girl will tell her she tell the man she get back and salt out.
All right, my general. Big up yourself here, sir.
Yeah.
All right, then. Blessing, man. I'm just want to send enough respect to everybody who won Parliament, the Bagwalk ends, Linstead, you attend the whole works and thing, large upon yourself and thing and whatever. And big up everybody who like him on the Bridge 99 FM at Jamaica and thing. And big up everybody. Just want to remind the people I'm up here in the New York here. I say on Friday nights, this show is simulcast. All right, it's on the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica. Big bad station right around the place down there and thing. And of course, it's right here on IrieJam Radio in New York City, Connecticut, New Jersey, and beyond. People are going to take a little break right now. Soon forward. Ragashanti live, a thing name. Maddie.
Yo, this is Shaggy. Yeah, out to many one music, baby. You're listening to IrieJam Radio. Yeah, number one. Yeah. If the feeling is good, I want to hear you say
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Open at the juggling proper. January, the show run nice. Tekki back Mixup never fails to deliver. Never fails to deliver due to its relevance and due to its, shall we say, commonality. It's something that is happening out there a lot. And thing, anyway, we're now going to itch, you know, we have about 17 minutes to go. Okay, I want to remind you people that I'm here on for the people in the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica, I want to remind you that I'm here on Monday nights, Wednesday nights, and Friday nights. Again, Monday nights, Wednesday nights, and Friday nights. On Monday nights and Wednesday nights, it's 9 to 11 on the Bridge 99 FM. Okay, New York people, don't listen and be confused. On Monday nights and Wednesday nights, it's 9 to 11 in Jamaica. Monday nights and Wednesday nights, 9 to 11 in Jamaica. On Friday nights in Jamaica, it's 8 p.m. until 11. Again, on Friday nights in Jamaica on the Bridge 99 FM. I'm here from 8 p.m. until 11. On Friday nights on IrieJam Radio, I am here from 9 p.m. until midnight because there's a time difference. Again, on Friday nights, I am here from 9 p.m. until midnight. All right? At all times, you can listen me on thebridge99fm.com, 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 or on the IrieJam 360 app. The IrieJam 360 app. All right? Okay, to the phone lines we go. Good night. Hello.
Yes, Mr. Shanti.
Greetings.
Yeah, man, bless up, man. You know that once I met a girl that went to Vassar College. Are you familiar with Vassar College?
That is my alma mater. Graduated from there.
Yeah, man. A girl named Ingrid.
Ingrid.
Yeah, Claudine.
Claudine. Oh, Claudine.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Then I'm a charge of that, man.
Yeah, she lives down in Brooklyn, Nevada, and I met her in Jamaica,
yeah.
Up in Manchester.
Claudine Wade.
Nice.
Claudine Wade, right.
Yeah, man. And she always tell about Ragashanti after me usually hear your program still on the radio and thing, and she say, yo, man, a guy that go college at Vassar, but me used to live in Poughkeepsie, New York. That's next door to Vassar.
Oh, Zane. No, man, I'm a sister in that, man. I'm a charge of that, man. Just right. I'm going to tell you, solid, grounded, intelligent, smart, witty.
Yeah, man.
And she's one of them who love indigenous Jamaican culture like myself. She's one of them who is educated on some of the, unfortunately, some of the unpleasantries in our country in a way that serves to empower country people and ghetto people, and so me and her, we are compatible in that sense. We're parallel in our thinking and our worldview in that. I'm a charge of that, man. Claudine, big up yourself. Man. Yeah.
Nice lady, man.
See him?
I don't know if she'll listen to you know, but whenever she come to Jamaica, when I haven't been a long while, I haven't seen her.
Yeah.
A long time, but about 2010, 12 up there, so.
Yeah.
She come like 3 times a year. And,
yeah, man. She did Jamaica all the while, man. She did Jamaica all the while. She loved Jamaica.
She still do, but we don't link like that before.
Yeah.
But on the topic now.
Rinse.
Yeah, the topic there where you're there on, say, that thing they reached me in a Poughkeepsie already, though.
How? Explain.
Yeah, it's like, we met this nice Jamaican girl. She used to go to Poughkeepsie High School, and it's like, the nice natural beauty, Jamaican beauty.
Yeah.
Natural haircut, and just a natural pretty girl. Young at them time, she's about probably 17, 18.
Yeah.
Because, older than her still, but you like a younger girl and fresh Jamaican come up in the place and thing and Ray. And
right.
Anyway, I see her and I say, yo, I go down to Bronx, then I go on Fordham Road, go do a little shopping.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So the morning, me roll up about $5,000 and have it in a 50s and 100,
Yeah.
And 20, yeah, mix up a different time. So I see him, they put like the cling wrap over it.
Yeah.
They cling wrap there and put it over it and drop it in her hand and I drive down and thing and I jump in at the store and go in the store, so I pick her little thing and
well, and so you give her the $5,000 before you push it and say, yo, this is money enough to buy the thing them. See, boom. So you drop her $5,000 in her hand.
You see, true, I drive.
Yeah.
And she a woman, me just make sure all the money.
Oh, you just make sure all the money. Okay, cool.
Yeah. If in case,
Yeah.
Yeah, if in case, then they stop and search and probably won't give her a search, but then the search me still and race. So, anyway, we put the money in her hand still. As a little way, as a man to a woman,
yeah.
Put the money in her hand, make you feel probably I first shall hold so much money in her hand because she's a school girl.
Okay. About how old were you then?
The them time them about, probably 26, you know.
Okay, all right then, go on to.
No, 26 them time.
Yeah.
So anyway, go down my Bronx on Fordham Road and go in a store, jewelry store, and 3 different stores going on, you know, 'cause I think she get all some winter stuff to like one of them, they call it, them sweater thing there. And she pick up a set of earring and boom, she see a little ring, put on her finger and little necklace and thing, and about 4 items I buy her no Raga, 'cause she have a prom. She go I want prom at Poughkeepsie High School at evening there.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
Come like everything that's 15, the same day when I say, oh, may I go Bronx and go do some shopping. But anyway, you know, so when I come back up, Shanti, and say me I go to the prom in a car, probably I may go bring her, or not really a prom, but they have something at the auditorium there, which pertaining to the school kids them. But,
Yeah. Some event, some big event.
Some event, did they? Yeah. So boom, me dead, you know, in the lobby and up on the phone, and I wait for say, this girl come in now.
Yeah.
How she look, you know? How she fit out in the thing then.
Yeah.
Rather, you know, say, the girl passed me on the phone there, the phone booth inside, and she walked past me like she not see me, and me and her I make 4.
Hold on. This is the same night from when you go down go shop at the Bronx and things. At the same night at the event?
Yeah, we go down there the morning.
Yeah.
I will left out like the morning, because I know it's Poughkeepsie to Bronx, probably about an hour and some minute drive, right?
Yeah, shut it down the Taconic, you know, yeah.
Yeah. And boom. So we come back up now for the event in the evening.
Yeah, are you in the event? And so you did reach the event before she?
Yeah,
and then she come and walk past you?
Walk past me up on the phone now. And if I'm ready, me not talk to still on the phone, and when I look, me see her, so I say, yeah, she look nice. Not talk about nice, natural, pretty Jamaican girl, young and sweet and sexy.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
So that's why I want a beat her fight anyway. I don't really the
keep it real. Keep it real. Right.
Keep it real. She's nice.
Yeah.
And you know, I say I want a relationship with a girl. But anyway, she passed up on the phone, Shanti, and like she don't see me. But I see her when she passed. Yeah, and boom, she go inside there. Whatever go on in there, I know me not go in there yet, but me outside in the lobby. So me did have some little girlfriend different, you know, where a social girlfriend them there. You see me?
Yeah.
Where I'm a friend them.
Yeah.
You know, because in life, you know, you can have woman friend where you and them now deal sexually, you know.
Right. No, that's cool. That's cool.
Intimately.
Yeah,
you see me?
Yeah, well,
we
have about 4, 5, 6 minutes to go. Yeah, go on.
Yeah. Me around it up. Yeah, me I'll get to the end. So you know, say, me send one of my girlfriend now pass, because them did attend school them time then. So me say, yo, I call that captain for me now. Tell her, say, me I call her. You know, say, she no come all now, she no come.
Yeah.
Like 10 minutes past, she no come.
Yeah.
So one of my friend, one of that girlfriend, the sister now, I pass through again, which me and my friend, I say, yo, call her for me now. Tell her, say, me out and me I go with the call her. And you see when the attitude, when me say she have now, Raga, and when she do come, yo, me strip her inside the lobby, you know, daddy.
What you mean strip her?
Take the things them back from her, man.
No, first of all, when she come over with it, what kind of attitude she come? She did that style you up?
Listen, first of all, you pass and go like you don't see me.
Right.
And me and you go Bronx. I'm going to spend them money and buy them things for you. And you go like you don't see me, you don't appreciate it.
Yeah.
And you pass and send come call you for 15 minutes now. And you not even come out, come say, Ray, yeah, do this, I do that. And you soon come.
Yeah.
So when she finally come, I say, I hear me, she named Renee. I say, Renee, you hear me? Come here.
Well, no, but it's a long time, but yeah, we're not really, we're not really call names. We're not really call names.
Yeah,
but go on. We're not call names
yeah.
on the show, but go on, talk. Yeah.
All right, sir. Sorry about that. My apology.
Yes,
so anyway, I
just
do so on the ears and pop out the ears in them. I do so on the right ears and pop out the ears in. I hold her upon her finger and take off the ring. And two, you see sweater now?
Yeah.
Two, I never want she left naked there, so I take off the chain off her neck.
Yeah.
And just, I'm a virgin. I said, I'm a virgin, look, stylish girl I want style. Later, I went up on the street and, them time, and,
Yeah, and I say a word. We know what you mean. This.
Yeah. So I just take off the things, the man say, yo, girl, give me them things. I just set them off, but I don't like, say, a man thing or Ray, but attitude. Girl have certain attitude and things.
No, but real quickly, what would your response be to people who are listening and say, yeah, she's disrespectful, but you made a choice to buy her them things, and from you buy her them things, you fear her on them, and if you never did want to deal with her from this, then fine, now your choice that, but, what would your response be to the people who say, dog, you should have just lower her out with that, because, and nobody take them back, and just breeze her if you are breeze her, but not take them back. What would your response be to people who are saying, yeah?
Yeah, you see in life, Raga.
Yeah.
Just like how you have Marcus Garvey and the great national heroes of Jamaica. Don't assume them though. Them set a footprint from them time there.
Yeah.
They know we cannot live off. Yeah. So sometimes in life, I don't really say you mean or you this too man, but sometimes you have to set a look to the woman themselves, them are learn, All
right, no, real quickly. No, hold on. Was there any arrangement between you and this BS involved or there? Because basically I said that the first time you carry her out, but was there any arrangement for say involved or there?
That again, Shanti, is like I look at them time there. So we know each other, we make that are the first.
Yeah, but but some people are gonna say, dog, you are looking at her, but you and her never there. We never have no arrangement. We never kiss yet.
Well, if me and her did there, me wouldn't think them. Me wouldn't take it back from her.
No, but when I say you did take it back from her, but some I say like there's room for one reason, and I say, big man, that was your choice, And you make that choice to go so hard, I'm going to keep it real with you. You know what you did do when you drop $5,000 in her hand? Right? No, I'm going to keep it real with you. And don't be, and from what you tell me, even though she was 17, 18, she know the road code to, she know what you did do.
Yeah, man.
You understand? And and she know what you did do, and she say, yo, if you want, come spend the money for me, I'm going to take the money and whatever, but I don't owe you nothing. And as cool as it sounds, it's true because she never betray you in any way. She never tell us me and you there. And I'm here because the very fact say you must spend so much money on her in the morning that day there. And then when I go out the night and you go end up at the event before she reach, I keep it real with you. That right there, so don't ever, she don't owe you nothing this so. Because I know even you and her go to the event. You gone there and you did there. You know.
The 5,000 never spend, all I never spend till no
Me know still, but me just say, when you do that, me and you know, say you drop that in her hand for say, yo, something said, well, $5,000 and thing. And she in a fear mind when she must say, must think that $5,000 can't come frighten me and whatever. Come spend your money. You understand? So when I say, in truth, she really. There's room for say, the girl really never violate. What she do? Give it that you and her part of the morning. She probably shouldn't go on with them things. But, we run out of time and thing. But big up yourself in the meds. Here, sir.
Yeah, man. So, link up with Charlie now.
Yeah, man. Me have a link. Me and a link, man, and thing. But,
you hear me no, man?
Yeah, quick.
Richie from Sente.
Richie from Saint. All right, now worry yourself. Me make you know, yeah? All right then, protection, cool. All right, people, I eat that and thing, you don't know, so 12 o'clock, them I lock off that thing. I do remember, some I have 2 YouTube channel, Ragashanti TV, and that's the Mixup Entertainment, them there, and also TamFam TV. Again, 2 YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to them 2 YouTube channel. Go to both of them and click subscribe, and also click a bell. Go to both YouTube channels, Ragashanti TV, and the next one is TamFam TV. And click subscribe on both of them, and click the bell where you see over there and think. I might think them there. Ragashanti TV are the Mixup Entertainment channel, and TamFam TV is the educational entertainment channel. Just roll over there and subscribe to both of those for me, and also click the bell for the notification and thing. and lacking that support there for the thing and thing. Big up on yourself, people. This was a great show. Perhaps we should continue this topic on Monday. Again, 9 o'clock on the Bridge 99 FM or the bridge99fm.com, right? So big up all people at Jamaica and thing, and big up everybody wherever and thing and thing. Do remember that on Thursday afternoon at 1 p.m., it's all about Free Up, the realest Jamaican talk show with me, Ragashanti and thing, live and thing. Free Up, 1 p.m. every Thursday afternoon on Ragashanti TV over YouTube. Lucky in Panda. But go over there and subscribe to both channels right now and click the bell for the notification. Ragashanti TV on YouTube and TamFam TV also on YouTube. Take care of yourself, people. And thing, and do remember, say, the Tekki back, a classic that they write here now, would all man take back teeth from a woman pan the thing. All right, big up on yourself. Out the road. Bye.